Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Check, 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 check.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Yeah, I would there.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Proper Stephanie, why go down? People, big up on yourself, and big up on yourself. Ragashanti live in your ears as usual, you understand. And me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, see me, I want to say greetings and blessings to every. Yo, this thing you talk about super fun. Today is the 15th of September, and it is it's the launch of TikTok's new thing called Superfan, which is basically another name for them check. Another name for them subscriber thing, but I say a subscriber, but them I call it Superfan now with some other thing tata. Stephanie, you get your tickets them already? Eh? All right, people, I know say it's all about the countdown, right? I know, a Saturday of the thing, Seeing a Saturday of the thing, a Saturday of the Ragabash, my birthday party, a big something up here in Queens, New York. Amazura, you see, you just observed it? Oh, okay, now let me understand what you're saying, the super fan thing, and I see it on the phone, I see it on the computer thing, I see it on the phone. More than I can subscribe, see me, I saw the thing set and whatever, just like when you go in at the subscription, you're going to see super fan. I was never ever really comfortable with people, calling anybody my fan, really my thing that I call people my fan. TikTok I do it. The juice of the day is beetroot, turmeric, panganut, and ginger. Beetroot, turmeric, panganut, and ginger. Now, usually the beetroot overpower any combination you put with, Cause the red just dominate, don't? Yeah, the red dominate. But you will notice that it'll have a look a darkish thing to it. Usually the beetroot is a rich red, but you will notice the red you kind of have a little matte look, darkish thing. That is a panganut. That is the panganut. Say Raga said juice, don't. Juice is good. You juice it, we like juice. Juice is good. Juice is a good thing. Juice is good. All right. My party is this Saturday. Empress Joe, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. But the party is this Saturday, so what we are doing this week is party mix-up, Any mix-up will involve a party, like a drama. Of course, calling with any mix-up on have as usual, don't? Right? But we are say, if you have any mix-up where involve a party, where happen now one party, or did involve a go party, or with somebody a party, or whatever, something will go down at one party. Where are the TamFam stickers now? Oh, let me tell you our new system, so we may have to put them back in. When not seeing them, when not seeing the TamFam stickers. Sonny, big up yourself, you don't know. Oh, them gone? Ah, no, man. Oh, no, I see them. Okay, no, me make Jimmy put them back in. Okay. Yeah, again, people are the new system today, so I don't know it go. So, I make them put them back. I put it down. Turn it around and put it back in. Turn it around and put it back in. Whoa, they want a running. Whoa, they want a running. Whoa, they want a running. Yo, so with the party mix-up, any mix-up happening in our party, of course, in the corner with any mix-up on have, all right? Any mix-up on have, and just send it up in the chat right there, so in the box and thing, and make we get this thing going. All right, and people, me can't really stay long tonight. This is going to be a busy week for me, I want to remind you again that this Friday we will not be having a sub-live the day before the party. That makes sense, don't it? All right, we won't be having a sub-live this Friday, but we should be having one after the show on Wednesday, I think. We will see about that. All right? So party mix-up or any other mix-up on I have 10 million things to do this week. 10 million things to do this week. Mojo Blocks. Large up yourself, everything is everything. All right? Beachy. We just get a quick Beachy. Big up yourself, big up your boss too, Oh, you mean? See more elegance in our place, Bad girl, something that you understand. Know the levels and people don't go around the thing. Gangster. Yeah? See? Hold on, I look on something, but. Alright, man, look. Why? Okay, let me see what I'm going on so now. 1 second there. I wait there. I wait backside it there. Okay, I'm over here, so. Alright. Okay. Hold on, I want TikTok, I want to look at something I have to do. I think I now go through. Budu. 646, 746, 9. Okay. Wait 1 second. 1 second, people. 1 second there. 1 second there. Wait there. I can never see this thing, man. I'll let you go around me, Aha, here we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm going right there, so. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, let's go. What I sitting here? When I say that something, I said join me. When I say I think, say join me. When I see something, I say join me. Join me, come join me here, whatever. TikTok, man, I tell you, a bag of thing. All right, party mix-up or any other mix-up on party mix-up or any other mix-up on me have whole heap of mix-up happening in a party, Me know whole heap of sitting happening in a party. Make we start with one simple one. Simple one. Man go work and whatever, go party and thing, and they dance. It was really a dance. They dance with woman and thing. And film woman just come in a party, walk up to him and say, I just want you to know, I see you, I soon come back. You see me? No, nothing spectacular. She just say, I just want you to know, I see you, and I soon come back. Don't leave, I soon come back. And she left. And go back, dog. This was a long time something. Out of house of Leo. And she left and go back down and go down a south, you know, beard and thing, and call a man come carry me out. But when she call you, she call we are friend them, the Cloverleaf 5F, you know. And say, and call her man name, he's still around. She has passed actually. But you know, and call her man name and say, yeah, me see him in there with the girl, you know. Cause she know who the bonner woman, she know who her mate was, you know. And I said, boom, boom, boom. And she said, I'm just come on, I'm be able to put on clothes, I'm a call, whatever. I'm tell him, say, he F me tonight. You know what F mean? And I said, what you mean? She said, no, I'm going to give him the P tonight. Somebody who I look her, you know. That's why I'm telling you, you know. Chris Rock right, you know. Women always have like an emergency body in waiting, you know. Like, you know, Chris Rock said them have it in a glass case. He meant that as a metaphor, you know. It's like, in case of emergency, break when open, you know. Yeah, man. Most women have one or two men who them know and look them and want them, but it not come out in the open yet. Most of the women have a little man out there who are looking at a draft phone or whatever on the talk to him. I want to know him. I want to know same want the man want, you know. I want to know, you know. But when you not say it, or if them ever go on like them want to say it and thing, you know, if you just neatly, indirectly shut him down and whatever, and you keep him right there. Right, that's how you feel there. And you're nice to him and you talk or whatever and thing like that. And you see him, I give you the extra time and all them things. Live visibility restricted. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search result because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. This is in line with the what are they talking about? Why people? Well, appeal, and then my live does not contain the content mentioned in the notice. Okay. The algorithm. TikTok. See, let me see if it take me down now for the recommended thing. Oh, well, I don't know. It look like it's still there. And clearly that's nonsense. The algorithm don't know what to do, you know? The algorithm don't know what to do. You think it's because I mentioned what? What, Chris? No. That can't, That can't be. No, that's TikTok. Remember, you know, it's a computer program that's monitoring the thing. So the computer program has no sense. It just look for literal stuff and turn idiot when whatever, you know. My best guess, it might be something from the intro we play. But I don't know what me mention. Yeah. So yeah, man, and you know, so him stay at the party with the woman, with Fim Bonnet woman, right? And she bring the man. And she go stand up right beside right beside him. Now, I don't know if anyone is familiar with Osaleo, you know? But she stand up right beside him. But the woman who him did with, she never did want to stay and whatever. Him convince her to stay. So I remember, you know, the man of him woman, the man gone out with, what was that? A man gone out with one woman on the side, right? So Fim woman now, how she know I remember that part. But she just come in and said, I just want you to say, I see you, I soon come back, don't leave. She left and go away, boom, bam, bam, all the way from Halfway Tree, go back down the south side, Cloverleaf Road. Beard, at all, put on clothes, call one man and say, come, me and you go tonight, you are F me tonight, you go do very well. She call we and tell we, so she tell, call the brother and this and that. come back up at party, go right beside our man and the woman. And just dead there and like two couple just dead there and whatever and thing like that. And then when the dance done now, she just tell him, say, me I leave now. She tell him, say, make sure you FR shall refer to the Bonner girl because me I go leave now and me I go F so and whatever. And she did. I mean, I know nothing spectacular or whatever, but some people just deal with things in them look a characteristic signature way and whatever that make it interesting and things like that. But she a bad girl for a long time though. You see that girl, eh? One time we are go down Raytown, and the girl say she never have no clothes to put on. Right? She never have no clothes to put on. And I kid you not, you probably not gonna believe me. That girl take down one curtain. One curtain. It was like one kind some the curtain one have that color here, but it's like a gray blue, if that makes sense. It's like a gray blue. And she take down her curtain and she wrap the curtain around and wrap the curtain around and wrap the curtain around. And at that she will go real town. And done the place and you'd never know it's a curtain. She use her curtain as a wrap and whatever. Cool piece of girl, man. And one time dance a shell when when dance a shell with the woman them you have a broke out time where the man them know say you back off and make the woman them go dance, right? We not and then we all know go dance, we don't know when that time there, right? Them time that the woman them no want dance with no man. Right? And sometimes man I'll go there and bother them and them just kind of ease them off and thing. Them just want them one look at elemental with them girl crew and that. And I say she up there dance, you don't know what kind of wings back and thing and we allow them to do them thing because, girl tune and them a broke out and thing. And he did have one song where she liked. Long time something, I think it was Cartel Sweet to the Belly. And that song that when I sang them were really boss Cartel. Sweet to the belly, sitting on it like Shelly and this and that and one. But she love a song. And she did have one shot. I remember a man stand up back there and all I would keep back and thing and whatever. And my girl, my song. And she just back up and we see her back up and come up. And she just back up and she just look back, and she just comes to and thing and pull down him zipper and thing and the whole I would in a party, I hear him now. Yo, them fuck, you love it. Cool, no man, stop that. That time she did it, and she did it, and them, so we just ease that, because we don't want to the next to no man when that I go out. And she just pump it up, and so my girl just go so boom, and just draw her shots one side, man, and just sit on and just back up on that right there in the party in front of we. I mean, it was our man though, but me just I tell you, and I want them woman then, bad girl, you talk about ice pick, monkey lotion, bad girl, you give a kick off girl face type of sitting and thing, warrior girl, you understand? Yeah, one of them there, And she just goes so boom and just kind of just send it on and the song, and she let them pull it up and she just dip on it and whatever. I said, John, I say, can't manage them woman, me do daring things, but no so. No so. Anyway, party mix-up or any other mix-up owner and party mix-up or any other mix-up. Sham Sweetness, big up people. This Friday I'm a party people. Make sure someone come out, get on the tickets. The cooker update. Cooker link me. Bo. No, me they send cooker a text. I say, cooker link up, man. We not hear from him nothing about the thing. We not hear from you. So I say, cooker link up. Right? And so cooker link me. When I say about 3 hours ago, Yeah, Saturday I'm a party. I Friday I say a while ago. Saturday I'm a party. Yeah, about 3 hours ago, you know. Me I go on the update. Yeah. And Cooker say, yeah man, me there Jamaica. I say, oh, you there Jamaica? I say, yeah man, me there Jamaica and thing. I have some business to take care of, so I down here Jamaica and thing. And I come back about Thursday, you know. So I say, okay, cool. So I say, but yeah, when I send her the thing, I sell her the thing, man, for the ticket. What was it? I said the same number. So I said, but you can't sell from outside of the country. So I'm saying, no, man, I'm going to make somebody do it. I'm going to make somebody do it soon. Yeah, somebody going to send it to you soon. You know, have the way name the phone there with me, you know. Right? So I just go into the update. Cooker say him there. Cooker say him there Jamaica. See? And he will make somebody sell me. So Cooker say him a send on the thing, you know. I'm just make you know so I don't see it. So him not send it yet. All right. All right. So we have a Cooker watch, a Cooker countdown a go on. All right. Just so you know, we have a Cooker countdown, a Cooker watch a go on. See, party mix up or any other mix up on a party mix up or any other mix up on. Yeah. Greetings.
Hey, I'm your number one.
No, they in a bar number. Your bar number, man. I want me to tell you, you don't know that.
I'm your number one, yes. I'm your number 1 out of 4, yes.
Oh, see it there.
Yeah.
So the thing set for a long time.
I give you my business, be a call to tell you. But before me ask you, before me tell you, you could joke me and tell you, you say a thing what they say. You know, make no woman stress you out if you have 6 7 days a week.
Yeah.
Or 2 rounds.
Yeah.
How, because you're older now, or when you were younger, you used to go more than that.
No, because you're older.
Because actually, because me I say, I know all the while that the woman them a request them the amount I think a week time. Sometimes because sometimes the man them want it.
No,
night.
hold on. Most time the man them want it. Most time when sex, I mean, a lot of women love sex as much as man and even more than man, but you don't know for hold it down. But most time when somebody bother somebody for sex, a man bother a woman for sex. Mm-hmm.
Yes, every night.
Every night.
Just, you know, one night, you know, you say yes, you know, make no man stress you out for that every night, you know. So me I say, you know, maybe I older, why I say that? Because
No, that's definitely part of older. But yeah, why no? It's not just older in a physical sense, you know. I don't know if this is going to make sense to you, but mentally too, when you get older, you know, and again, some people don't want to admit this. I don't know why. But sex don't it have the same importance and urgency way it have when you did younger. You understand what I'm saying?
You're right.
Yeah.
So when me the younger, me I tell you, for years me have sex regular with my partner. I mean 5 days a week, 7 days a week.
You can't get enough.
Especially when you do it with a person with chemistry, right? But no,
exactly.
Work and stress and everything make me need more.
Yeah,
just want a break all a week.
No, but for whatever reason, you know, so some people, especially men, I don't know why, them afraid to send them something there and just be honest and just send them something there because, I don't know, there's this thing out there like, you gotta look weak or you look pop down or whatever and thing like that. Nothing wrong for say, yo, sex nice, you know, we still love sex, you know. We still love sex, man, and thing and whatever, but and it don't have to be, you know, what I'm saying, when I talk about stress out and older, I'm just saying sex is just not that big a deal when you get older. I'm being honest, I don't. For some people, but a lot of, what I'm telling you is that a lot of men stay so But them force it
But
for
you know,
police people
okay.
and them not want people for say, oh, your uncle says a call your problem. I don't give a fuck with them ones. Me, I just tell it's not that big a deal. It's not that big a deal to me, you understand? All right, put it another way.
Okay. All right.
You have enough time, woman, I drive for some big man, you know, some big man, some older successful man, some whatever. And them automatically do the sex thing. Them put on them sexuality and I talk about say, you know, say a lot of, I bet you say some woman say true. You know, say a lot of big man out there, successful man and thing and whatever. One of the worst thing you can do to them is just a move to them to feel like, to make them think, say, no, I'm not for do I give you sex, kind of that you want your man. Is a turn off, it's enough, man. Did you know that?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you never know that. Let me see if any woman know. Any woman don't know what I talk about? See it there? They must say, true, that's true. And whatever. Yeah. A lot of older men, if them see a woman and she look attractive and thing and like the sex thing, they don't, you know, like she look sexy. But if she come and in a fear mind now, me like you and whatever this and that, and me know how to forget you. And it's all about sex. You have some man just think like, you know, kind of, you know, in a fit them mind,
Okay.
you're still in a kind of immature thing, and them kind of, some of them think it's insulting. You really think, say, a man like me, all you can do is just bring sex to me and you lock me. You idiot. You not think.
Of course not.
No, but me I tell you, say, you have woman out there still, so. I'm bright enough to tell you too, say, if you don't reciprocate, I'm bright enough to tell you, say, something wrong with you, you're this and that, and start style you too. That is a turn off, because, you know, you're dumb. Yeah, man, say, if you just think, say, it's a sex thing, you know, you go on an accomplished man, like, whatever, and you just think, say, I just
But it's a turn off for a woman as well.
Exactly.
You know, so it's a turn off. It's a turn off for me too.
Exactly.
You come with all you talk about is sex. It's a turn off for me.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
But like things happen spontaneously, and we not have to even speak the words. We just
you
body
feel
language speak for itself. You know.
I want to say nothing wrong with sort out, you know, because sort out have to run, you know, and this and have fun in a sort out and catch your son, twist your son, catch your foot over this and take it out and look on it and say, boy, you put it pretty me, I go back in and you have fun and go on with the one bag of, yeah, that can go on. Yeah, you understand? But me I say, you have some woman, man, them rather go to all a man where, you know, say, I know idiot man that you go to, and I feel them mind, well, yeah, man, I pum you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Most definitely.
Yeah, I understand. See.
But
Go on. Go on.
You know, I say something. Because I start my story. Tell you.
Oh, no. So me keep on tell the man then say, "You're afraid to do it. Me I go do it for you, and you can model it." Me not a problem. I tell people say, me older now, right? Me in my 50s. And when you're in your 50s, you are not when you're like a common sense that. You know what I say? A common sense that. But for whatever reason, you have some man afraid to say. The first thing I come out of their mouth is, yo, me still have it. And thing, you know, see what most of the man them call in with them at about. Me have to draw them up what they and I say, all right, too much I want to know.
No, them might take the blue pill for keep up. Them might take the blue pill for keep up.
But all of the man them a call out. All of them mix up is how much pum pum them mash up and how much pum pum them mash up and whatever and thing like that. And them just have this thing and whatever. Me not afraid to tell people I say pum pum mash me up. Couple times, several times I get shot out for a woman and pum pum mash me up, wicked, I'm glad to. You understand? Can't talk about it, you understand? Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, when you're older, you're not like 20, so don't come here, you juggle now, you want me to come act like me at 20, I'm not doing it. Go about your business. Anyway, give me run the thing where you're going to send for me, you know.
So, if you talk about party thing, this one I come to mind. So, me and my husband, we go to Jamaica, one of them, somebody, and say we are going this brunch. I grew up say we are going this brunch. And you know, brunch at Jamaica, you know, daytime sitting and nighttime sitting. So go on the brunch and everybody are enjoying themselves and you know we are with the green thing and some top shelf and everybody nice.
Yeah.
So my husband know the adventurer him is now him want to go out a door go but deal with something at the car.
Yeah.
You know right?
Yeah.
Him.
A quick thing at the car. A quick thing at the car, don't? Yeah.
Yes. Not even going at the car, you know, we do out at the back door there, so the door open because I mean it's a party where enclosed with you know the cloth where them use and wrap around like make a fencing and something. So everybody inside and nobody you know the traffic outside no heavy. Nobody now come in and out because I thought about like 1-2 o'clock in the morning maybe. So deal with the quick thing they know, you know, and did I go easy back a little bit. I don't want to see one lady come out, no. So she like pass me. She never see we. Pass we go like 4 cars down the park and you see she bend down and pee. But after that we saw a man come out and like we think I like, you know, him accompany her for your security, you know, make sure she's alright.
Yeah.
Anyway, see when she get up back and pull up her clothes and like he say something to her and she walk and he hold her up and hold her hand. Like you know, me assume say maybe I say, yeah, go you know, give me some.
Yeah.
me I say no, cause based on when me I go witness, you know.
Yeah.
Walk back and him say, cool man. And she alright. And then you know, see like she don't, none of them not see we all know, you know. I mean I tell her the place not really that dark. Anyway, but right. See like she just draw down back and me see the man right at the side of the car. I see you juke 2 times. And done.
Yeah.
I fast as quickly that me see. You know if you make it, but I fast as quickly that I'm gonna say she drop back her clothes and it was yeah man, I walk right back in her party.
Right back in her party them go.
When them pass way.
So what one did there?
Me want never fear man.
What one did there?
When say slim place for we car.
But one never
in. Stand up. Come here tell.
Oh, but which part to stand up the dark?
The back door. There was a light outside, but because of the area, it never covered the entire year. So some place still kind of.
Oh,
dim.
Okay.
So if you not look good, you might not see a person, but it's not impossible for see.
Yeah.
Because you probably not look for nobody and not really go see.
Right. Okay,
so we just come up right at the back door for we car.
Yeah.
Because we never go in the car. But she just pass and like she just run up here and then come up behind her. We think she has security. He might follow her figure.
So one line. It was a back as she said then, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you say it go fast. It go fast. It go boop.
It come fast.
No, but voila, you know, say you have some JoJo out there doing, you know. You have some woman have some come quick JoJo, you know.
Yes, but me think given the circumstances because which part with like we don't you know is like one of them type piece of land where down off of the road.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Like you have to walk, go down. So it's like you stay up on top of the road and you look down, you know?
Yeah.
So me feel like for people, if anybody up on the road in the dark and look over in the party there, so them can't see we.
Okay.
But they never care. So we think I just that no one decide for just run the thing quick and just and that's it.
And so wait, well, how long you that say? How long you that say it did take?
What a minute. Or less.
Or less? Wait, or less?
Or less.
No, that's quick though.
The whole encounter probably take about 5 minutes between the time they walk out, she pee, and you know, he might beg her return something. Yeah.
You know, as a man do it differently, me kinda You know, some woman them would just see a man and just say, you know, I want a for you, right? I would know that. But in general, you know, see a man always a pressure woman for front and all them something there. And it's like if a woman say, all right, me go give him. And then
Let's
for a
say hold
man,
up on a run, man.
no, but me I say, for a man, if a woman decides, all right, me go give him my body, me go give him my front, me go lawyer for coming on me. And you just stay there 1 minute and whatever. I can't understand how for a woman like, you waste my time, you make me go cross that line there. you know? It's like, they must have some frustration there, you know, it's understandable, some frustration there, you know. 1 minute. That kind of rough still, you know.
1 minute.
Yeah. That's how it go.
Nothing longer than that.
Yeah, you know, and you have woman who come in at one. You have woman who pop off in a 1 minute too, but you're not woman, so you can't still there. You know, the only woman them you have a problem with that. I can't tell you. I'm not disrespect nobody, I just tell you. And men understand it. You have some woman, you know, when they come in, man, Jesus God, man. A river Jordan, you know, the whole thing just change up on you right there, so, you know. I laugh, you laugh.
What does they think it's quite funny?
Yeah, some woman, man, whatever, man. Yeah, man, if you're not careful, you walk and you slip and you drop and all kind of shit, no, man. But no, but outside of that, you don't have no problem there. So if you no pop off, you man them know, you know, say. And I like when you're young, go back to your point. When me na my teens and whatever, you pop off, I'll know Mr. Boy no moving. Still up to the time. You understand? A different thing now. It goes somewhere.
Yeah, I'm a little joke that
yeah, man.
That
Party mix up. Respect for that and thing. Yeah, man. Safety, man. All right, yeah, man. Cool. Ragabash this Saturday, people. My birthday party. With 8 people who just come out, man. We are going to put them. We want to put the DJ booth down on the dance floor, you know, so that we can have the one-to-one connection there. Big up the people them who say ultra VIP and thing, you understand? And big up the VIP. Big up the people them with them cabana. There's gonna be 3 cabana, all right? They're going to be the SDC cabana, the ANC cabana, and Liquid has his own cabana. Bomba, hey, Liquid a boss, you know. So 3 cabana go up. Of course, the SDC cabana, you know, I'm going to be the cabana. Christine, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. And things. So we look forward to that. I want to say big respect to Antoinette who celebrate her birthday and thing. Antoinette and all of the nurse crew and all them people that come back, you know, I go there at the party. I juggle with Antoinette and think cake, I go cut and all them something there and whatever. Sham Sweetness, big up yourself and whatever. No, I'm excited about the party. Oh, you mean, Sham? Make them know, yes. And we hear say all people from Constitution Hill, I bring them Constitution Hill family and gingeration to come start up something and all these things and whatever. But we're ready for them and whatever. Who want come from Constitution Hill or Constitutional Hill and who used to write. By the way, this week is the annual ag riding festival pan Constitution Hill, you know. Is this I don't know the day exact. I must have Friday, I don't know. And thing and whatever. Somebody just wants a big respect to Delmarine. Because Delmarine was supposed to be you know, when she used to win all of the race and when she ride hog down a Constitution Hill. So this year they wanted to honor her, right? She wanted her to be like an honorable member and thing like that. And apparently she told them that she cannot go down to Constitution Hill down in Jamaica. And see that she posted, she said, yes, we have a conflict and that she has to come to the party instead. All right. Andrew Purple, Andrew, don't play with me, you know. You don't buy your ticket yet. Andrew, don't play with me, you know. Ragabash this Saturday. Rummy and buy him ticket them already. Antasha buy Fiat ticket them already. Chumpy buy film ticket them already. Crash out by Fiat ticket already. Christina ticket pay for already. Craigton ticket pay for already. Yeah. Yeah, Andrew. Yeah, Agrider, Del Marine. But me do, Del Marine, big respect still, you know, because me know how much the ag riding honors them, how important that to you. I mean, know say you did a look forward for go back go, and be like, honored in the event and thing. And for you to tell them say no, Ragabasha go on, Biggie from Joesdan, cool. And Kayak come the party. Angela, okay, yeah, we talked about that earlier already. Yeah, we have to put him back the sticker then. We put him back the one where they did it before it's because they have a new system now. So for those of you who are here again, big up, when me say you're now referred to as super fans by TikTok. Subscribers, you're now referred to as super fans by TikTok. Yeah, it's a new thing starting today, right? Starting today, them are called the subscribers super fans. So this other thing there, all right? And then change up everything, so we have to put in back the sticker them we didn't make and things, so look out for them there. Mr. Purple, so Professor, I have postponed my job, so I'll be there, brother, in living purple colors. Brap, later! Yeah, all right. Deeks can't come, but we'll get 2 more tickets. Yeah, man, I just want to big up the people them who can't come, but when I buy tickets to support the thing and thing, want to say, give thanks to the item. Lady Andrea, big up yourself. Nix Chemical, large up. And again, I just want to remind people, if you can't come, you can buy tickets nonetheless. You can buy tickets nonetheless. I will give away the tickets to people. So come. Designs, Brown Girl, where is the party? Amazura in Queens. Amazura in Queens, near to Jamaica Avenue up on the side there. Amazura Concert Hall in Queens this Saturday. One of those come out and come enjoy on yourself and thing. It's all nice. No, I give them the cooker update earlier. Cooker say he must send the money to them. Yeah, of course, I'm Jamaican, I'm kind of busy right now, man. The cooker no easy, but no, don't make any assumptions and thing or whatever you don't know till you know, right? So cooker me forward. All right, party mix-up or any other mix-up. Party mix-up or any other mix-up. Party mix-up or any other mix-up. Any mix-up or involved in a party or whatever, any other mix-up or have, send on. When Chumpy said cooker is a $3 bill. You get it? That no exist. I'm gonna beat cooker to that. Baby lips raise cooker money for we give a cooker update already, man. Okay. Any mix up we happening in a party or involving a party or whatever, give it a mix up there and thing. And or any other mix up one. Okay, this is not a mix up. I just tell you what happened. We in a dance again, I mostly dance when I grow up. And one woman come in, the dance are going and one woman come in and she stand up. And she'll look on another woman. So then the other woman just back off now and thing and she dip in her bag and come out and she hold somebody. We see a napkin, so we just know say some weapon. So we move. We move one side and thing or whatever. Anyway, the woman stand up and boom, boom, boom. She not say nothing to do, And she walk away and go away. And thing, and the other one did it and thing and whatever with her crew. She did it with her crew. And the crew, them ready for defend her, So obviously them in a war. And the woman, there's another one where the person go away. And leave way down when time the party I get nice and whatever, this and that. But just see her clot and whatever, I see people dip and whatever. And once the girl go get a bag of feast, a bag, it was a scandal bag. But someone get the feces in a scandal bag and she come and she chew it on the girl night party. But when she chew it on the girl night party, it splash up and catch other people in that party. So I mix up, but them something that go on, you know, people come in and just wet up people and things like that with a bag of doodoo, a scandal bag of doodoo. You understand? Wet her up, man, and thing and whatever. She depend up in her face, all in her ear, and all them things. There are some people cool. Yeah. Well, they never catch me, thankfully, you know. But when she come the first time and thing, me think say, look, you know, ice picker, knife thing and ratchet I go on and whatever. I was kind of ease off and thing, you know. You have to alert, you know. When me just I go dance, you know, my street mentor, Weather him did name. Him start carry me go dance and thing and whatever. And one night, I go there, and I want to sleep, you know, I find one look a corner and go sleep, you know. And there I sleep, my hand sit down and my hand down and I sleep and thing. All of a sudden, a beer kick me and get, you know. Kicking on my face, kicking on my back, kicking on my belly, kicking on my wake up, you know. And all of it, and a bigger man them for me, but a my crew. And them same man a kick me up and a beat me up, you know. I confuse your freak, the man them kick me up, you know, for sleep or dance. Boom, 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 and be a kick and thing and whatever, and beat me up, man, mash me up, wicked me, man, swell up and whatever, be a kick to my face and body and all them thing there, whatever. And remember, as I look at you, I say, General, me hate them like pies, me, you know, I wish we could have get a machine and just wipe out the whole of them, you know, man. And you know, I never like that at all. Them deal with me billions. And when they done, them I say, you can't sleep or dance, dog. Anything can go down and you have to alert. Right? Can't, you know, cause them in the gangster thing too and whatever, you know. But for them thing is, no, if you're a gangster, you can't sleep in a dance. Yeah? I mean, I tell you, even though me eat them like a pies now, I mean, yo, man, look at you them time there, you know. Whatever, even though me eat them like a pies, you say, from that, me no sleep. I dance when them there on. Particularly when them there on, right? Me just know, so me no sleep, I'm going to get beat up. You understand? And for the years after when we there dance and whatever, quite a few times things go down and we have to go so brew and splurt for the fence, or we see look movements and things and say, yo, you know, say so and so come in, make we left a place and, you know, and you know, some machine could have pop off and thing because such man are with such man and what. So, yeah, since that, me make sure me not sleep or dance and you have always alert and anything go down, you see it quick and thing and whatever, so. Me never like them, but if you come beat me up and thing, but the lesson was delivered, you know. Don't sleep or dance and party. You never know what will go down and you have head of it on your body. I want to tell you since same time the two. If anybody tell you say them see me like flat out drunk at one event, I lie them at tell because me never get drunk again at one event. The only time I go, which part I go get drunk at event, I when me go Vassar College and I follow like white people. And then go follow them and go get drunk one night and thing and whatever and sitting. But outside of that, man, me not get drunk. And I from them lessons, them and them man they teach me them thing there, you know. Ujibapa and thing and weather and all them man they teach them something there and say, no, yo, when you're there and pan them base and thing, you can't sleep and get drowsy and go, you know, and go get tipsy and thing and whatever. You know, it's all about control and awareness, you see it. You have to do on your P's and Q's with that, yeah? So the thing said. Watch your right. Anthropologist, big up yourself. Chumpy, Raga, want to take pics at the event. Yeah, man, picture I go take at the event, man. Picture I go take at the event, all right? Only for picture I go take. Anytime I'm event, you have these cameramen, them come there. And them, but them I want charge, you know, yeah? But we are going to have something phone to take phone a picture to and thing, all right? Okay. Let me see any. See more elegant. Last time I come at your birthday party, I win best dress. But you pop down now, do it down. You can't win that again, down. Clothes don't look good for you again, down. He seem more elegant. You sure you win best dress at my party? Eh? You sure you win best dress at my party? She said, you're right. More diva. What go down? Raga, will the event be showed live on TikTok? No. Nah, show it live on TikTok. Me. Yeah, let's see, look at something. People video different parts of the thing. That just happen at events now. People back out them phone and video something, but you know, so some people people big up the person who met that gift just now. All right. People don't know where it go. Now have on the phone, so now go video this and that and this and that and whatever. But you have some people go people live, go people party, right? And just making them point at duty if you have video the whole party, the whole night. You know, them go people party and just making them point. I'm gonna ask people not to do it. You know, you video something, you go live a little bit, you video this, you take a picture and enjoy on yourself. But that's something that we see some people do. You go people party. And them don't even dance or do nothing or whatever or enjoy. You know, them just a video right through. Them video the people in party right through. So you know, I ask people not to do that, you know? All right? All right. Take comes. Shireen, big up yourself, you know. See you. Yeah. Through this, Seymour again for 2025 best dress. Come out, Seymour. You know, here Seymour says, I think pop down right now. Right? She not buying her clothes on 2022. Right? She not buying her clothes from 2022. No, it's not formal dressing. It's not formal, but it's dress up. Yeah. It's not formal. And be careful now. Formal is elaborate and you know, formal is a peak, you know. Formal is big gala event type of thing. I know that's something there, but dress good. Dress look good. Grown and sexy. That's how they dress. Grown and sexy. All right? All right? A grown and sexy the thing there. So when I'm a virgin in a one taxi, Bruce, in a one taxi at Jamaica, and two women are coming in a taxi. I don't know who them two women is, but the taxi did come from town, stop at crossroad, and it a go Yui. And the two women who come from the taxi at crossroad and come off out a standpipe. But when the two women come from the taxi, Bruce say, I don't know what them I talk about before, but when them come on, I hear one of them I say to the other one, say, she too bright, man. She too bright. I'm going to take a man. I'm going to take a man right this. I'm going to take our friend man right this and thing about that. That's why I tell you, I wish Raga did still upon the radio, you know. I wish Ragashanti still upon the radio. Come with a louder up and whatever. So Bruce, him turned down and said, no, Raga not upon Raga, they're fine and thing and Raga, but him upon TikTok. And she said, Raga upon TikTok? And Bruce, him say, yeah, man, Raga upon TikTok. I lie. And him still doing mix-up something. So Bruce him say, yeah. And she said, no, find it for me, find it for me, find it for me. And so him say, him find it for her and thing and whatever. But, you know, it's just like, you know, if you hear somebody and say, yeah, super fan, chump, okay. Just somebody I say, yeah, sure, Raga no day, you know. Remember years now, I'm not on radio at Jamaica, you know. Years now, I'm not on radio at Jamaica. And for years, somebody I say, oh, if Raga the day, I say, yeah, I make it up my door. Mad thing. So people, particularly in anyone there at Jamaica, want to spread the word, say over here some of there and thing and whatever, because enough people don't know my destiny, you know. That's something they don't. Alright. I do look at marketing with it, man, and thing, and make them know what is what, particularly after the party. I told me I was busy. I lead up to the party right I know to and them something, you know. Alright. Party mix-up or any other mix-up on any mix-up involving a party. If you did a party when the mix-up go down, or the mix-up happening in a party, or it happening in preparation for a party, or it happen when you did a keep a party, or somebody a keep a party, or whatever. Party mix-up or any other mix-up on have, all right? Resilient Lorraine, my day a road, the daylight in a beautiful California. Yeah, our time over there now, so 7:35, yes, I know. That means 4:35 over there now, yeah. Over in a Cali right now. So yeah, man, that are still daylight and things, see? California, over there dry like our, right? One time California, they just green, everywhere you go green, you know. Well, let me be careful. All me know about is like LA come up to the Bay Area. And just that me really know, because I think some northern parts of California, like green and forest, you know, and you know them part there where they get enough snow up there and them something there, you know. And thing. But the part them I talk about, you know, anywhere from LA come up to the Bay Area, to San Francisco. Del Marine, go ahead, I'm surrounded by trees. Of course you're surrounded by trees, Del Marine. Who say you weren't surrounded by trees? Del Marine, of course you're surrounded by trees. Anybody who live in the jungle, no must trees surround you. Why? Then no must trees surround you. You live in the jungle. You're a jungle baby, right? A jungle you live in. So of course you're surrounded by trees. Nobody wasn't debating that. In a jungle you live. You live in the wild. You're surrounded by all kind of animals and whatever. When I never hear a story one time she had dragon one mountain lion run her down. Ask her. When I asked Del Marine about it, one time she had dragon one mountain lion run her down. That jungle she live in. So I don't know why she had defend that, so like whatever. Nobody know whatever, yeah. But Andrew Purpose said, Tarzan wife. Yeah. Yeah. The novel is a Del. Yeah. What she say? It was a turkey. No, they do have mountain. I don't know what I do, man. They do have mountain lions over there for real, you know. Who sometimes harass people when them jog by themselves and whatever, you know. Me don't know people are really into staying fit and staying healthy in California. It's a thing over there, you know. But them have them look a place where them run and thing and whatever. Well, what if people, you know, the beach and them have them look a place, you know, them look a boardwalk here and thing. Them have a whole bunch of place where what if people walk and what if people run. But you know, I said TikTok. Yeah. TikTok still a ramp with me, you know. Yeah, what if people walk and what if people... Them have them look a place. But them also in them area where people just go run by themselves. California have enough of that, you know. Woods and tracks and trails and thing where you do. And people just go run by themselves. Not only them run by themselves, them run and have a headphone. You must harass, man. First of all, me not run through no woods with headphone on. And I'm me alone I run. You mad? Me don't even talk about the animal, me I talk about the way I'm afraid of some white people. Right? Me sensitive, nah. Me not the part of something there. Right? Much less the animal them. Yeah, if anything happen to me, I want a fighting chance and whatever, you know, I want to hear. But we talk about that in the jungle. You know much time me there in a city and see people that walk with headphone and walk out in a car and all them something. You don't see them sometime. It's an epidemic, you know, man. And people in them phone and just walk out in the road, you know, and all vehicle and them not hear the vehicle and all kind of something. And some of them when you come up on them, you know, and them dead in them headphone and walking on the road and you come down and you blow. See them, yeah? Ready for war, you two, you know. Yo, kudos to black people, them do. Oh. People, we're from Jamaica, right? So we love yard space, right? We're from Jamaica. And we refer to our homes as our yard, right? While other people up here, the yard is separate from the home. For we, in terms of the language, we yard our home. Right? You hear Jamaica say, yeah, I go home my yard, yeah, man. Right? Jamaica say, I go home too, you know, but we will also say, I go home my yard, yeah, man. I say, galanga your yard, we yard do so and thing or whatever, right? Because we yard our home, so we love space. But there's a thing with suburbs here. I notice it first in Connecticut. And then I go a whole bunch of other states and I notice it. It's a thing for you just have your house and no fence not around your house. And be a bush the back of your house. That is a common thing in suburbs here, you know. You don't have no fence around your yard and a bush the back of your yard. Right? You don't know what I'm talking about, right? And it's cool here, but you know, me don't have to, even now, me just like, me get a little better with it, but boy, I'm a paranoid about that something, you know. And I guess I want me raised, you know. Right? Imagine bush the back of my yard. So when my light on, you the right there so in the bush. I watch me and me can't see you, but you can't see me. I'm paranoid about them something, you know, man. Worse if me I'll go and have a family or whatever. My mind just start work different, you know. So me I'll have woman and pick me and whatever. And me left and not dead and thing. Me one of them man they have a worry about that something there, you know. I say, you know, say all a boy I could all in a bush and a time pedal my woman or a time pedal my picnic them or a time pedal my son or my daughter or whatever. So my mind work, you know. So boy, I could all watch my movements and know me not dead and there around there and thing. I don't want them bush there around there, some man. I think you can go to the city and put a fence. Tell me know what you say right there, so you know, be clear, be more clear what you say. Right? Yeah, man, the man thing up here where the fence thing, I know in Florida, you know. No place down there no fence, you know. You understand? Just look a bush surround you. Right? And bush them deal with, you know. And like that thing they were like, you know. Cause you know when you turn on your light at night time, who outside I see you? You can't see them outside, but you turn on your light in your place at night time, you know. You understand me? Not really too. People that HOA something there. I hope me notice. And nobody not say nothing for me, no chat on. Because sometimes when I have this thing, you know, we just relax. Raga talk, we listen to raga entertain with tonight. Yeah. When you know, so when I tell you after a while, I no force nothing, I no say nothing, I go leave. But anyway, people may not understand what going on with that HOA something in America, you know. And just so you know, when I was in law school, we had to do this whole thing on it, you know, in property law. We had to do this whole thing on it. I was just like, whoa, the HOA, them have like a body of common law for them thing, you know. A whole heap of case come up, you know, with easement and space and what the HOA can do and what them not for do and whatever. And for those of you who don't know, basically, what the HOA stand for? Who I'm sitting under the association. I saw you go, what the HOA stand for? What the HOA stand for? Homeowners Association, it's CM1. All right? So for those of you who don't know, you know, like what we would have called scheme, like what we call housing scheme at Jamaica, right? You have the Homeowners Association where them govern the housing scheme them, where people up here them call it subdivision and all these names on them. So when you buy a house in a film thing, they are the ones who make the rules and things like that and whatever, you know. They make the rules. You can't do this, you can't add on this, you can't use this paint, you can't park yourself, this and that, whatever. And you have to pay money. And they're responsible for the upkeep of the thing. But there's so many problems with them HOA people here right now in America. First of all, the money where them are charge the people them now in the HOA them, my bumbo, the money where them are charge right now, you could have probably, you have the money there and whatever. It's not different from when people are pay big rent. Is it me? But the HOA fees them seem to have gotten out of hand. No, so I go. Am I wrong or am I right? Remember the people them who have them home, so them buy them house, you know. So them a pay them mortgage on them house, you know. But the HOA basically collect a fee from people for maintenance, you know. People, you know, so some people have like a 3-bedroom house and them all pay 1,500, 1,800, 2,000 for HOA fee. Then the mortgage money that too. Right? Maureen, $300 every year, that not bad, man. Lord Jesus, that not bad, man. That not bad. Me attack people them who pay the money a month time. Well, so $165 a month and them cover internet and cable. Well, that's good. That's not bad. You can remember them and them, you know, mow the lawn to and them something there and whatever. And when you go in a some community, like Florida have some bad, Atlanta too, you know, well, Georgia, when you go in a some of them community there and whatever, them really nice, you know. And them use, some of them have clubhouse and all them something there, whatever. But them I get out of hand. And then some of the rules are ridiculous. Them can't take over, them a take over people's house and all these things, you know. Yeah, the HOA, you know, pay your fees and whatever, them can go sell the interest out of your house and all that. All some foolishness are going on, you know, and them have language written in the law for them, something there, you know. So somebody said, mine is $450 every 6 months. Oh, okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. But enough people are go through different something with them HOA, them, man. I don't know, a beer, some drama go down there with them when I look too wonderful.
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's up, boo-boo?
I am calling to give my story.
Say that.
All right, so when I was younger, I used to be in youth clubs, police youth club and community clubs. So police youth clubs did normally have parties in different parish, and persons from the other police youth clubs I'm in St. Anne, so persons St. Catherine Police Youth Club, Mandeville, wherever they'd come to that party. Alright, so we went to one, my friend and I, one year, and going to the party, enjoying ourselves, and some guy saw us. So the man named Stewart and him said, baby, we'll go and come party, whatever, whatever. But we weren't really interested. But they were persistent. So we said, all right. They offered to buy us drinks. When they bought us the two flavored beer, it's like, I said to my friend, say, we can just lift them you to here. So anyway, we got away from them. So we go through the party at chill. And here we know. Then the idiot boy, them a buy drinks like them things say. That's I got make us stay with them, Raga. We don't know, so we are past the guy them. The guy them just said, and if I thirst, I did thirst, could I tell?
Well, I know them ball it out, though. Them ball it and loud, about it.
So till look how I walk through, I said, we are chat them, and I don't know them. They can't even remember how them look.
Oh, them look. And them they are here, we know, don't.
I say, I have to take one myself fast.
I have a splurt, man, you see.
But yeah, that's my party. So.
No, man, respect, man, and blessing. See, all is well otherwise?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. We are Jamaica, you there?
Yes.
Okay, big up yourself. What you say, St. Ann?
Same time.
Okay. It's like my home away from my own parish, that, you know, man. Yeah,
I'm
man.
originally from Spanish Town, but came here to live when I was younger, and I prefer here than Spanish Town.
St. Ann is well, the part, you see, like, around the money side, I kind of like them part.
You like that part?
Yeah, I like that part.
Not bad.
And what the part where them keep, where Wizzy keep the kite festival, man, I don't know if you're familiar with that. I would don't listen name again.
You know, I'm not sure there are a lot of kite festival, but there's one that keeps in Richmond. Richmond is now the party centrally.
No, and a Richmond. I think this might be Claremont or somewhere near Claremont. Yeah, one in Claremont. Yeah. And to me like that side, I know I used to run from a man now, you know, so my always there Ocherios, right? So, you know, and then Ocherios have exchange, but they when you go across over to Prairie, St. Anne's Bay, that whole side, that, you know, near the waters where people familiar with. And Prairie now was at them have one big woman land near the water. There's a lot of parties used to keep there, you know. So people used to come from Kingston and go party. So St. Anne was just jiggy. And I think St. Anne base Odyssey come from. That's over there. Yeah, so yeah, with it, you know, St. Anne have a vibe, man. St. Anne have a vibe, you see.
Expensive though, Raga.
It's expensive. Hey, let me tell you something. Listen to me. There is a real estate boom going on in Jamaica right now. It's crazy.
Right.
It's like people just buy land and property and build and develop. Everywhere you go, somebody build something. Everywhere you go, and thing and whatever. And then you have all these people that come from foreign and buy up the whole of the land them at Jamaica. Like, me I say, what I go on?
You know, when it started, COVID, when a lot of persons didn't have work, them just a bill. You say, oh. And the persons would they're not able to pay rent and so forth. So them just going at them savings and start building one room and so forth.
Oh, the real estate it just, and you know, from multiple levels too, you know, you see over Portland, the rich people them buy up everything, all of the beach them and thing, and just a cut off all of the nice land them, and just a cut off the regular people them and tell them, say you can't walk your say anymore, you can't come your say anymore, you can't come through your say anymore, you can't. A crazy thing are going down there.
What I realize is it's easier for persons overseas earning US dollars to be able to purchase the lands.
Yeah, then that I go on.
We here, we can pay the US dollar for the land them, so we just get knocked.
Anyway, yeah, man, respect.
All right.
Rude, just a madness going on there. Yeah. Come on. People, there's a buy land craze thing going on in Jamaica now. Me, I said, then, I what them hear about, I what go on, and you know. Everywhere you turn, like somebody a build up something. Money there Jamaica, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, money there Jamaica. Money there Jamaica. Don't get it twisted here. Hello.
That's right.
Greeting. Yeah, man.
Oh, where you, the place where you try to find out when I river head.
What that?
The place where you want to know the name of the place when I
Yeah.
river head. Where you keep a kite festival.
No, and a rip. Well,
Money.
I probably that on a car. You know, one PNP brother when he Wizzy man with some big tractor and them something.
I
In
run this
music.
man. I run this man.
I see him place around there.
Yeah.
A riverhead on the call it. You know have one next name. The town don't have one official name. Cause you know in a Jamaica
Manic Town.
No man, you have Manic Town, but you have one next name where them did okay. I know.
Golden Grove. Golden Grove.
I think it probably start with C. But him did IMF host to some of them kite festival. You know the concert part, you know, the you know.
Remember, me always down there and see you down there, man.
Yeah man, I think man. So I like that era there too, you know, that era and nice too, you know. 'Cause the thing we don't they cool, you know. I wanna treat them always green and the era always when they used to it, you know, kind of born and grew up in it, you know, but the ear just always just fresh and nice.
And I really that's why I really bad. I really come from still, you know.
Yeah.
Roundstone. Me always give about your program. And
Yeah.
But me be honest to you, me never get a chance to be on your program before.
Well on. See it there? Them poor I eat content. I think I eat that.
Oh, content garden. That time we don't watch this up.
No.
Go for content. No, when you pass RFM. When you pass RFM.
No, I know down there, so. Which part me attack? You see, you come on a main road, you go through Manic, and you reach Manic Teachers College, and you all are left there. You know that left there where enough people take for car, like you go Montego Bay, like you go up on the North Coast, and you all are left there. You know, go straight down to Ochi. You all like left.
Clermont.
Right. Alright, you see where you go Clermont, you have one next place up there, man. Me forgot what that place the name. But it near to near to Clermont or beside Clermont or near to Clermont, but one next place up there.
Golden Grove.
No, Golden. I don't remember where it is. But up there, where they keep him Kite Festival. So
Kite Festival all up sitting there too.
yeah. No, but them time there, him alone, a long time actually, him alone did I keep it them time then. But Kite Festival boss, you know, and they all bout and thing. No, Sharky, like where you go down when you go back and somebody say a content. Me think a content, you know. But one content now up there, so. Me not talk.
Content.
No. Oh,
content garden when you go. Content garden when you go.
No. It's not content garden, you know. We not talk RFM and content. We not talk this one. One content no up there, so me just want to know one content up there, so.
No.
Okay, all right then, cool. Okay, me just want me no know. All right then. Okay. I saw me around there, so though. Nice and cool and thing and whatever.
I tell you, my probably want to revive the attack.
Well, I must have saw. Well, me know, yeah, I must have saw, you know. But me like it and thing. And then now, me did go have one little girlfriend who down at the teachers college there, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, so me used to love go up there, you know what I say? Up there did nice, you know.
So you up there now.
Oh, cooler man. See? All right, now say a word, man. Cool. Big up yourself, you know, you're sir.
And they put your program, I go and listen to your program, see me, you know.
My respects, blessings, man. Cool. All right.
Guidance.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. No. Wait there. May I try disconnect? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sometimes I end up like, you know, more accidentally like I close down the show. People, my party this Saturday. Ragabash. A festive, grown and sexy affair and thing like that. And people just come out, come support. And just know, see, you're going to get value for your money. You're going to enjoy yourself. The music are going nice. The vibes are going nice. The thing are going jiggy. And thing just roll out and come enjoy on yourself, man. Get on the tickets and come this Saturday. All right. Ragabash. That's the thing there. Amazura in Queens. My birthday party, right? DJ Roy, DJ Crisscross, Echo Vibe Sound, Glamour Wayne, the musical messiah, and yours truly, Ragashanti, will be providing you the entertainment and thing and whatever, yeah? TamFam style. And I know the levels. People, as the person, what she named the call and talk about when time the man them buy them, the 2 flavor drink, them and thing, and sitting and whatever. All right, some I want to hear this already. But I don't know, so Raga full of mix-up and things that happened to him, though. So I found to hear that one here already, right? But I run it again. Right? So, I don't know, some man an old man in I think, see? So I found to know, but the game them I used to run the place was something named ping pong. Right? Then you have one silver ball and you have 2 things and you lick, you know? And that used to run the place, right? When me a youth, right? So you have a whole heap of ping pong all about the place. And also in a bars, me not come up here come see that. You did have one game named Skittle. Now, if me not someone familiar with a pool table, and whatever, it's in another realm there, but it's very different from pool. Right? Skittle, the table, the texture and the thing and whatever kind of look like the same texture where you sit on a pool table. But Skittle had like, must say 4 or 5 hole in the middle and about 6 hole at the back. And it has some little pool beside each hole. I don't even know if Skittle there about and thing or whatever. Right? PUBG Hunter said them know it and thing, but that was in it. Me just give an idea of what games in entertainment places were like, you know? And of course, we had the ubiquitous jukebox. Right? We had jukebox. What is a jukebox? You drop in a little money and you read the song them. And you press it if it's a D2 or whatever. And then the thing will spin. And it literally take out a 45 song, a 45 record, and put the record in. This is another box and thing, and play it and thing or whatever. That is what this just sounds so like, it just sounds like, you can imagine you talk to them pitney and they were like, really? You remember them go, for them music, look at something, like digital, And this like a way before CD and whatever. But at them, some of them we grew up with, right? It never take paper money them time there. You have to have silver, right? We never have no machine we take paper money. Nothing like that never exists in our time when we grew up as people. Skittle, jukebox, ping pong, and some whatever. Boom, 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 boom. So them time they know, I start go Calabar. I did go Calabar High School and thing or whatever. So as I get to youth, I go Calabar now, I end up exposed to Uptown Youth. Them time, but before that, the only time I exposed to Uptown Pitney was at my church, East Queen Street Baptist Church, right? I will for Uptown people come to church. But the culture in a church is different from the culture in a school, right? So you end up seeing more people at school and whatever from Uptown. So when we go Calabar, and see picnic get drop off in a car, blew my friggin' mind. I was like, them parents carry them come drop them off in a car. Them get car ride come school. You know, man, show you where the thing I come from, But it wasn't me alone. People come from our community. We were like, at them time that we take what you call robot. What one kind of call road taxi, But back in them time, they have a look at VW robot and all them vehicle and thing and whatever. We take robot. Or we take JOS bus. The Jamaica omnibus service. Yeah. Me an old man. Right? Yeah. Them time that. No, I'm not in my 60s. I'm in my 50s, Kali. I love read up people. And whatever. But me just a show. So when me have a Calabar now, I start there on uptown people now. I start meet some uptown people. But me was considered, them never know, but I was considered, what them call it, something I need in need. I never know no father and my mother did have nervous breakdown, all kind of things, so. Big up Calabar, me I tell you, me get rich, me I do a thing for them, so. I was a needy student. That them call it. So them used to help me with food and them look something there quietly, But I'm not me alone. There have a bunch of where them used to help and things, cause, one time he did a hungry. And when the hungry take me and thing, man, me tell you, the only thing could know hungry, Right? Enough people in here who, sidebar, enough people in here who know hungry. Anytime I bring up this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know that hungry they when you hungry and you feel a gnawing feeling in your stomach, but then it go away, the gnawing feeling go away. You don't eat nothing, you're hungry and you feel a gnawing feeling, and then the gnawing feeling go away. So you're not feeling no pain anymore. But here, is the type of hungry, see, after the gnawing feeling go away, your head feel light. And you feel like you float. And you can't talk long. You're there on, yeah, I'm good, man. No, I'm all right, man. And you just light. Anybody know that hungry, they want to know what I talk about. It's like the pain gone, but you just feel light, like the breeze can blow you away. Right? And one time, one of them hungry, they reach for man and thing and whatever, man. And me nearly, I drop down a faint way. And then catch me and carry me go to the nurse and whatever. And I said, not doing him, just hungry, the poor boy. And I saw them call a guidance counselor. Forgot what his name. At the time, it was the first one was one woman where she did a grind off one boy in a fifth farm and the two of them rob up his school. And them send where she, and then get one Asian man, I don't know, either Chinese or something another, but him was, and him them send me to, and thing, and them arrange me get food, and me eat food or whatever. So, but me was a needy student from ghetto. So I remember a youth named Glenn and Dean Dillon, something like so, them was my friend. And where we come from ghetto too, and we never have it and thing. But we did them on uptown people. And Calabar was a top school at champs and in other sports. And the top school, them said them buy runners. When I really buy, them just get runners from other places and them give them the privilege of coming to Calabar and them take care of them. So Calabar was a name brand school. And because Calabar was a name brand school, when Feta keep on them something, the Calabar ratings it up there. So at the time, you did have secondary school different from high school. And unfortunately, them used to discriminate the secondary school picnic them and say, them not as bright as the high school picnic them. But in truth, for you to go to the high school, you had to have passed your common entrance exam. So you find, so the people with the high school, them can, them do them work. And then you did get to pick several choices. And then based on your grade, if you do well, you get your first choice. But if you don't do well, you end up in a different high school Or if you not pass, you end up having to go secondary school or what was referred to as technical school. So you did have Kingston Technical High School, St. Andrew Technical High School, that they focus on trade. You learn a trade. While you have the other high school them. Now Jamaica had this thing with them call, it was disgusting actually. Them cut it out now, thankfully. But them did have what them call the traditional high school, which were different from the non-traditional high school. And what they were referring to as the traditional, I talk about Kingston, so there were other technical high school in the other part of the country. But what they're referring to as traditional high school was the so-called elite high schools, were supposedly the brightest students in going, right? These traditional high schools, they were each aligned to a church. And the church, of course, belonged to a denomination. This I go way back in a slavery in a plantation here. So all of the bossy elite high school, they were all aligned to a church. And that church now also was from a particular section of Jamaica's society. So follow me now, you know. So all the so-called traditional high school, they're aligned to a church. But then the so-called traditional high school, they were aligned to one of the name brand church. So them aligned to the denomination, you know, but them still aligned to a church and the denomination. The top schools tend to be the Catholic schools. You had Immaculate was like the top girls' school. Immaculate Conception, Catholic. Alpha Downtown, Catholic. Right? But even the other top schools, them, with it up there, they were aligned to a church too. Like St. Andrew High School for girls, they were like creme de la creme. And then at the time, Holy Childhood too was aligned to a church. A church is actually the right there beside them, right? Yeah, and then you have all these other schools and thing and whatever. You know, you had some rich school. You had a school called Hillel. Once you hear Hillel, think Jews. Now, Hillel was like the richest school in Jamaica for a while. But you did have a school named Priory too, you know, upon Oak Road, which was big. Campion was up there too, right? And thing. Now, what you have to understand, St. Hugh's was up there. Wolmer's, you know, Wolmer's was creme de la creme. Back in the day, the top elite boys school, out of all of the entire country of Jamaica. Enough people don't know it was actually St. George's. The richest of the richest, them go St. George. Over the other side, it was Monroe. Yeah, Monroe was over in the west, right? But yeah, the point, what I'm getting at, I'm giving you the backstory leading up to, there were some schools that the schools were considered top high schools, but those top high schools, part of them being top high schools is that they were aligned with a church, which itself was aligned to an affluential part of society in Jamaica. And they all had their legacy with them. Jamaica College, boys' school, was up there. Wolmer's did up there. Arden up there. Right? You knew what the so-called top high school. Queens up there. Queens did job for a while, but in my time, Queens was up there. Holy Child was up there. Right? St. Hugh's did up there. Alpha did up there. KC, George's, GSC. Right? But there was some other school in some ghetto area where they were high school and them never get them ratings there. They were woolly part of high school, you know, but them never get them ratings there. What am I getting at? So when I went to Calabar, which wasn't Holy Family, or it wasn't Haile Selassie, it wasn't, what the other high school them like, what did they? Was St. Anne's a high school? Was St. Anne's, were they West Kingston, was that a high school? You'd have all these other high schools, you know. Camperdown did up there too, you know, but for some reason them never rate Camperdown up on the same level where them rate like a Calabar or whatever. A fast runner did come down here, Raymond Stewart, they kind of bring out Camperdown and thing or whatever. Right? And then them did have this thing about sister school and brother school. So you find to pick from one school, date the other school, and them do events together and whatever. Like Holy Trinity now was a high school, but them never get the respect. Papi, you know, them never give them school at the river. Worse if you were a secondary school. So, me did bright past picnic. And because me did born after the 1st of September 6th, anybody born after the 1st of September, you end up with 3 chances to take your common entrance. But your first chance, you end up take it early. So me end up take my common entrance in grade 5, which was the earliest you could have take it. But again, I was young in grade 5, and then I pass good to get my first choice. So I go Calabar High. And I did I leave Calabar College and go Calabar High. So I saw now me in another school you know, with the background of me I tell you about. Where all of a sudden I start exposed to people from a different section of society. Yeah, me start exposed to picnic we come from fairly well-to-do families. And they too had their culture. You remember me I tell you about the game them we go on and whatever where we used to play, where me used to skittle, and then me see the big man them I play skittle in a bar or domino or ludi or them something that me grew up with. Right? We as picnic, we have play draft or snakes and ladder. We don't play no chess. Right? And we know about jukebox, and my mother have a changer where she'd play a record on her changer and them something, right? So I start among some people, you know. And then now, when you them amongst them now, them have a thing now when them have, for them party, them time that the high school party, them, they were called fetes. And the fete culture, it was just a whole different culture. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Them time that me just lived the scripts that were given to me within the Jamaican culture. And them time there, if you're brown, you're pretty. Even if you did brown and favor one pig, because you're brown, you did pretty. That's the culture where we grew up with. Residues from our colonial past and whatever, right? And also, if girl have long hair, and John can draw breaks in her head and she can't come so. If it's a girl that comes so, and a flick her ear and whatever, girl pretty. And of course, the euphemism, the way we will characterize them woman, they would just say, uptown people, them. Say, oh, I'm an uptown youth, I want uptown whatever. So anytime you hear Jamaicans are saying, yeah man, I want uptown youth, it don't necessarily mean that them live uptown, you know. We're locating them in a particular socio-economic bracket. And you being an uptown youth or an uptown pretty girl or whatever, very often you go to one of them schools. But then if people like me, you're bright and you do good and what, you get in. So I saw you there on them people now. So when me there on them now and them I go them fit and all them, something's a whole different culture. Me nearly drop down to me and say some of them all I drive. Right? Remember high school, you know, and like you go up till you whatever, 18 and them something there, you know, high school, you really, on average, is from 11 to about 15, 16. Me going when me at 10, because me did pass early, first chance, born after the 1st of September type of thing. So people, me not gonna lie, I saw now me them amongst them people, and you get frightened because you're young and you're fool. So I get a little bit like the uptown people, you know. Now, some of the uptown youth them in my school, them they take to me. Why? Because I always I get in trouble. And them think me was bad boy. Me really was a bad boy, you know. Based on my community standard, not even close. Right? Me was a bad boy. But in a Calabar, me was bad boy. Because boy walk with him knife. And boy this and boy that and whatever. Ray. And I saw some of the uptown youth, them start talk up to me now and thing, and, you know, cause, yeah, bad boy. Right? But really, I was a little nerd in them, but they thought I was a shit. Right? But in my community where we live, they were like, me an idiot. Cause them boy, they a bad boy. And whatever. But anyway, me them amongst them know, I'ma get frightened for them. I mean, want to go with the uptown people, and I go. So I saw me go, my 4 or 5 go hustle and go at Tropics. No, yeah, one club they did at New Kingston here in Tropics. It was the spot for high schoolers where the uptown people them go, you know. But uptown people have them mannerisms and them thing and whatever to like, them talk different, them behave different. Them talk about stuff with them watch pan satellite dish. That was a thing back then in Jamaica. Make them people I tell you, man. If you are satellite dish in your yard, rotted, girl drop them drawers shape for you, man. Yeah, what? You understand? Satellite dish was a status symbol in a man. Right? So them we talk about stuff for them I watch on satellite, which was basically American programs where all I were watching now and thing, but them time that we never watch it. Cause the TV where we watch a ghetto. TV sign off 12 o'clock every night. One ugly black and white something come on the TV and them singing national anthem and that's it. It wasn't even color. First, it was black and white. Make people in my age group tell you, here, you understand. That's it. Not no more for your watch. All right. So them talk about a whole heap of something when me don't know about them something there. Because them I watch it on satellite dish. Because them I watch American programs on them satellite dish and whatever. So, and then no, them have the money for dress certain way, the American way, where me never have. So me I go around them, but never get no ratings, you know. So me I go the place where them there and them something there, but you're not a part of them circle. Then people, video games go come through. Cause remember me telling you, it was a ping pong ball, just one ball I bounce up and down. Literally the ball and the tool look at something you squeeze on the side and you fling it back the ball and the ball go ping, 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 and you have to keep on lick up back the ball for you go and in, then the ball escape and come and you have to draw back your something and send up back the ball again. Video games go come in now, people, you don't know that. Our new video place go open up on Kingston Spring Road. Opposite from where Bembe did keep. Remember Bembe party and whatever. But up on the opposite side, they did have one brand new video place over there. And a beer at the new video game them you play. And that's how the uptown people them go. That's how the pretty girl them go, the brown girl them with the long hair and thing, and then when me are frightened for. Because that was a standard. Again, pinball, that is the right name for it, Craigton, pinball. No, it's not Tropical Plaza, where Latin girl gone, man. Me say cross from Bembe, you obviously don't know where Bembe keep. All right. What was this the name again? The restaurant did have one name. Weekends or something like Kingston Spring and Dunrab in the corner there. But the gas station on the right of the corner. If you go up more from the gas station, you go up Kingston Spring like you go Queens. It did a cross from Weekends, man. Yeah, man. Right? And that's how the uptown people them go. The uptown picnic them go. And that's how the pretty girl them there and all them something there. So when me hear say that's how the pretty girl them there and thing and what they call it was all about the pretty girl them for me, Right? But the pretty girl them, they were the uptown crew going on. So remember me go through all these details and go into the cultural context, that I existed in where I was aspiring to that and whatever, and the whole thing with the exposure of Calabar and what Calabar is aligned with which church and then which section of society and whatever, grounded in history and whatever, this and that and whatever. So me decide, I'm going to this place because that's the pretty girl them there. People, you know, say, this boy here, that I mean a boy's home now, you know. Yeah, man, I mean a boy's home now, because boy, you get in a trouble and thing, and mother have nervous breakdown, and the state take you, and whatever, and them something. You know, say, yours truly here, going at the people in supermarket and the bookstore, them, you did have Songsters bookstore, and you did have a supermarket, them. And yours truly, you're going to thief the people, them. You have some book named Mills and Boone, the woman love read. I'm going to go thief them, put them in my waist and thing, come out and go sell it to people. Then me used to thief either insecticide spray or lotion. You did have one lotion named Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. None of them bossy lotion never did, but it was a yellow lotion named Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. I never ran for thief them and go sell them to the ladies in Motor Road. And then you did have Beagan spray, where everybody did love. When you thief Beagan, them buy Beagan from me. Then you did have one next spray named Pyro. Who remember? Who remember Pyro? The red and white one, right? So then they me thief and sell. Go in at the supermarket, them. Go in at the Pyro still there, but go in at the bookstore, them, and thief the Mills and Boone, them. And go sell to the woman and thief. Yeah, the red and white thing, Pyro, that one there. It are the green Beagan and thing. Them they sell. Me I'll take orders. Yeah, man. And have it down to a science too, you know. Typical me, you know. Me go there and case the place first. Figure out who are the store personnel, what's them dress and them attire. All I write down them schedule and all them. It was just really bad. It was really bad. It wasn't good. I'm glad that never turned out the way because I was well on my way to being some sort of career criminal. You know, thank God me just drop that and leg of that. But anyway, so I hustle up my money, you know. Yeah, man, I go thief up my things and sell them, man. I hustle up my money because what boy I hustle money for? Figure up at the place where the uptown people them there, where the pretty girl them there. When me go Calabar, go hear about and see them and thing like that, and when champs and them something they are going and them girl they dress up in them thing, me want one of them girl. So you see, now, me I tell you, in a sidebar. You see, now, if me there with that woman and thing and whatever, and she want this and me can't afford it, and she go and like say me want this and that. No, why? No. Me not go prison for because you want me if you go do so and so, because Raga go through it already, because me go tell her no what happening. There's a lesson in everything, you know, man. Right? And me give God thanks and I can sit down and look back and analyze and say, why did you do that? You were engaging in self-destructive behavior there and da-da-da-da-da-da. And I saw me end up think my way out of self-defeating, self-destructive behavior. And I said, no, you're not going to do that again. And if the pressure come on you, one of the most powerful thing we can have is awareness, you know, because when me did I go through my thing, me never aware, me just did that. Actualized scripts given to me. This is what you do. And I wasn't aware I could think critically. I wasn't aware that I could say, answer wise. Remember me I'm telling you? All of life is about 5 W's and 1 H. All of life is about 5 W's and 1 H. Who, where, when, what, and the most important, why and how. And at different points, any one of those can assume priority over the others. But in general, the most important one is the why. Because you see, when you understand why you did what you did, why you made that choice, why you're gone at the root now, And you have to have that awareness before you can initiate the necessary change. Because if you don't answer the whys at the root, all you do is pretty up the branches. All you do is cut off a branch. And then the branch will grow back. Because you not address the issue at the root. So we're up on a sidebar now. So Raga gone up at the place, don't. And me get my money when me go hustle. and whatever, I'll catch couple times, get beaten in a store, them and all them something, the supermarket, them and go back to one different store and thing and whatever, from Crossroad, go right up, me have different places where I'm going. And save up my money now, I go at the store now. And I buy one ballet. Ballet show, the Asian people, I buy one ballet thing. And them time that people, this going to sound weird because now it's like, but back then, I'm glad to say the people who over here who are juggling with me, people come from where me come from, Because sometimes I say something people and people don't understand. And even people who come from where we come from, any of them not come from our age group, like people in them 40s and 50s, them still don't understand certain things. People, know, say one time we in a ghetto, we look on uptown people that wear jeans all the while, and we thought it was the tackiest thing. Yeah. We thought like, them wear jeans go church. Them wear jeans go this. We just thought it was, we never use the word tacky, but we just think like, them uptown people and them don't even know if to dress, everything them put on jeans for. Right? We just couldn't understand this thing with them and them jeans and whatever. And yeah. No, Candy say I still think so. Right? So it was just a different world. So when we go call them as uptown people that wear jeans all the time, and whatever, I'm just like, okay, and all that, I couldn't even go across to go do jeans. And when I do buy one jeans, remember, me there at we in a ghetto now, I said them people with them jeans is tacky and whatever. And then when we do go buy the jeans, you know what we do at ghetto? Well, iron out it cloth, seam of it in that backside, yeah. So when we grew up at ghetto and we start wear jeans, we iron it, seam of it in it, because that's how we were raised. So anyway, I get my jeans, and it iron with my ballet shoes. Right? And touch up at the place there now. So when me go in there now, with my Mills and Boone money, my Vaseline intensive care lotion money, my Began money, my Pyro money, until I go in there now and think boy having money. Boy, I roll with the uptown people them now. So I'm going there, the man say, I said, yeah, I come here to play some games. Boy, I have confidence and think. Talk up to my blood, like, I say, whoa, where my money? I want my turn, I'm there. What's up? I'm say, yeah, my place. And I'm say, oh, you have to buy some token, I say, what? I say, you have to buy some token. How about that? You need tokens to play the game, sir. But I have my money. Sir, we understand, but you have to buy the tokens. But I don't want to buy no token on the game. When country come at all, real butu, Real never see come see Butu, you know, whatever. This damn man that come and tell me, say, me must spend my money for buy tour. Buy what kind of token? I give me come for play. Allow me, Mr. Sir. I give me come for play. What are the money, man? Sir, you need the token them to play the game. But me I tell you, something I want to buy no token. I have my money for play the game. Sir, your money cannot use in the games. You have to have the token. Then that you should have tell me. You never tell me that long time. But that is what no, I never that you did not tell me. So how the token go? Yeah. I'm going to buy my token. Yeah, I'm going to buy enough token. Cause boy have him Began money and him Pyro money and him Mills and Boone money. I want me to you. Yeah. I'm going to buy enough token. I'm going to go over the video game, man. I remember I said the video, them new game, you know, and a pinball, you know, and a ball of bounce up and all them something, you know. You understand? And the video game now and, you know, different thing, you know. And boy, Raga player. And Raga player and whatever and thing, and people come round and say Raga player. Because Raga have all them token them pan him game. And Raga have enough token. Raga have money. Start come round Raga now. And Raga don't know what go on, you know. But the girl, them a big up Raga the way Raga play. And Raga did it like a damn fool. But me did a play good though. But Raga think say, the girl, them a surround him and think. Raga think said, nah man, then he not play good man. Then a good Raga good and think. That's why the girl them there. No man, Pac-Man was the video game thing. And he did have one named Space Invaders. Pac-Man and Space Invaders. Oh Lord man. We live for them too then. And anyway, so the girl them come around and thing and then at that time, you know, I don't have a type now and whatever, but you know, the simpler you are, the more I'm likely to find you sexy, you know. You understand what I'm saying? But at that time, my weakness, brown girl, long hair and thing come round. Hi, hey. You can play a goodie? Yeah, man, I play, man, and thing and whatever. Damn all wicked, you know, but listen. Anyway, may I get attention? Remember what the ultimate goal was, you know? Remember everything when I explain to you about the cultural context and everything. This is what I do. This is what I'm good at. I can explain them something there, right? So it's a culminate now, you know. A plan of work. Pretty brown girl a chat to me. Pretty brown girl look like she probably go immaculate a chat to me. You understand? Pretty brown girl look like she probably go Hillel a chat to me. Chat to me. Hello? You understand? So my girl I say boom bam 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 and a chat to me and whatever thing. And whatever. And then she asks if she can play. You want to play? Of course you can play. Come play, man. How you mean? Play. My girl play and whatever and thing and I can't play again. Yeah, man, you was talking, man. Talking dead and thing and whatever. And if it done, me we go get some more, you know, come have money. My girl play and whatever. So she said, you can't go back go play now and thing. I'm sorry, and thing and whatever. And then I'm gonna go back go play and then my girl say, hey man, if I tell you, can I get some of my token to play a game over there? What you mean? No, before that, when I time, when we go back go play, she said something about why you can't play a goodie. And then I hear one time I tell her, I said, I don't know if women do it deliberately or unconsciously. I would imagine that some do it deliberately, like them really know what them do. But there's a time when women were really good at conning men And if the man are there, there's a time when contact is initiated. And it has to be at a particular time. And the way a woman do it, them always hold you right, yeah, so. Them must say something, you know, something casual or whatever. But them will just say, you know, whatever. And sometimes, you know, most women don't even know them do it. Is it when a woman get comfortable, they will touch you. But the first place a woman usually touch a man is up here, so. Somewhere, yes, the woman touch. She run a joke and I mean, they said, I'm going to go over there and this and you get touched right here, so. Or sometimes if them a mess with your head deliberately and thing like, you know, you may get a look at you can't go on or whatever. But if them attack you or whatever, for some reason, woman always end up a touch you somewhere. Yeah. So it's an unconscious thing I touch you, right? And I know say my brown girl with the long hair and whatever, and think she attack to me good, you know, and then at one point she comes up, bam, on me and I laugh and attack with me or whatever. And right there, it was obvious to me. It was obvious and clear to me. There was no doubt to me when she touched me, she was now my girlfriend. Yeah, man, I'm my woman that no, man. She touched me. Then I must my woman. She touched me. So me know I'm my woman that no. And she attacked to me and not talk to nobody else. And I mean she attacked to. Then I'm a woman and she touched me. That woman that man. I'm a woman that. So it was clear to me and her there. Because she attacked to me and she touched me. Me and her there, my woman now. So after me start play back, my woman who touched me, she said if she can get some token for go play some other game down there. And what was my response? Yes! Why wouldn't I? I'm a woman. Me and her there. Take token, man. Take token. You want token? Take token. And my woman take token and she go play a game. Play a game and thing and I look around and I see her and thing. But boom, I see that come back and think, how you doing? You this and that. You're so good at what you do. And she'll tell me I'm good, you know, and whatever. You understand? Because my woman ever positive, you know. Always I tell me how good me is upon the game, you know. Me one of the best and all them someday. Yeah. Then that your woman said to you, because she's my woman. Yeah. And she big me up and I tell me this something them, you know. Now people remember, and them time a boy about 14, you know. 14 years old we talk about it, you understand? But I'm my woman. You understand? And she tell me something of them and this and that and way. And she asked if she can have some more token, take up some more token. Yes, man, go on again. And when I see token I done, I take up the token and I'm going to go over there and I take out my Mills and Boone money, my Pyro money, my beer gun money, my Vaseline intensive care lotion money, and I buy more token and go back because token for enough up on my thing because boy a star. Clearly overcompensating, clearly a OD, clearly doing too much, but boy I never know where I go on, don't you? Don't it, Jem? Real rich. Tanto blacks where you there. Yeah, man. And she keep on and do that. After a while, my girl don't even bother ask me anything, you know. My girl just take up token and go play what she play. She never ask anymore, which makes sense because she my woman, me her man. She touch me and we there. You understand? No? So my girl just take up token, me and buy token, take up. So me they are playing now and thing, and then for a while now, me not see my woman. Me not see her. It's a good while she not come and whatever. So naturally, If you're the summer, you know, see a woman, then you have a concern, though. And like, let's see my woman. I'm going to look for my woman. I wish you there. You understand? I say, no, man, I need to go look for my woman, man. And whatever. So, I look on a place still, and I can't see her come, and I play, and I can't see her come. So, when I time, I just put up my token, them and thing, and I say, here you know. I go look for my woman. So, I pull up my token, them, and I walk through now. And I look, I place big enough, I'm talking, and I walk, and I walk, and I walk. I look for my woman, boy, I look for my woman and thing. And then at a certain point, I see my woman. But through a she me did I look for, I see where I want to see. Because she really did a whole a man, so, you know. Right? And the boy taller than her, one uptown boy, light skin boy, what would people here would call dirty blonde here. But me never know them sitting there them time, but me just know she never black people here, and whatever. But she a holy boy, you know. But me never see the boy. The boy not register to me because it wouldn't register to me. Why? It couldn't register to me because she's my woman. Right? So when me see her now, and me see her there, so she there now, me hear some step for go over to my woman. Right? And just as me I reach over there now, right? It's kind of, she there on a diagonal to him, but so like say him the son now, me I come up behind him so, but I'm really flat behind him, you know, but on an angle, you know? But him a look upon her so, and she a look upon him so, and me a come so now. So when me a come down now, it's like God just provided this revealing moment when me hear the boy say to my woman, go back, go get some more token from the pussy hole boy, the pussy hole idiot boy over there. Go get some more token from the pussy hole idiot boy and bring whatever. That the boy said to my woman. People they hear me and the boy said to my woman. Raga, your memory good. Who forgets stuff like that? You mad? Your memory good. You don't forget stuff like them, something that people, me no know. You know, when you watch a movie and people shock them, you know, they have a caricature shock that is expressed like, but that's not a shock, you know, man. Real shock, really a show up on your body, you know. Real shock is, and some of them must experience this already. You still stand up where you're there, you know, you still look like whatever, you know. But you just feel like, you ever hear people talk about all of your life, you just feel it float out of your body. You feel something literally a draw out of your entire body, and it catch some spirit a carry it away, you know, whatever, you know. And you're like frozen, like for a bit, you're really in shock. You're like, you're displaced, you're disoriented, you're in a like, what the F just happened space. And for temporarily the world becomes confusing because you're in some sort of twilight zone. You're floating, things aren't real, you know, you're going in and out of reality. There is some sort of you know, cerebral fragmenting of reality in front of you, and you're just confused. And On top of that, you know, the boy, the boy turn on and go, and look back on him woman, you know, and she go, like, she laugh, you know. She go, and the boy go, I him that. And my girl go, yeah. And him go, I mean, I tell you, say, that's it, man. They just took the soul out of me right there, man. They just took the soul out of me right there. Your deeks, they could be here watching you talk the story. That is another thing, you know, because you know what is weird? We never notice that all of the top people in the high school, like the pretty people and whatever, this and that, and and them always mash up in an adult life. That's a sidebar. But again, you ever notice that all of the fly people and the top people and the pretty people and everybody that are dead over, and them when you see them 20, 30 years later, it's like, you're like, oh shit. Yo, she was the shit in high school. What happened? Or he was the whatever, like something going on this. I don't know. But that's another story. But anyway, you know, so when them say that, no, whatever, I tell you, the life gone out of me, man. Yeah, man, I'm just walk with, man, I'm a crush, man, I'm a mash up, man, I'm just walk out of the game room, man, I'm a come out and I know me at time, I'm some hold the right and come down. And me, when me week out, me have to sit down. See me come out after 3 jail time, I have to just sit down somewhere. You know. You see that same gas station there right at the corner at Dunrabin and Kingston Spring, like right across from, you know, Merle Grove on the other side of Dunrabin and Kingston Spring Road, I go down. And the same gas station, and man, I just sit down there, man. And I just sit down there for hours, like probably like a good 3-4 hours. Mash up, man, week out, and thing like that and whatever. Come I said, John, how my woman for do that to me? And she did touch me. And I mean, she did attack too. Yeah. And I give her so much token. I'm gonna make her happy with token, don't. Mash me up, man. Mash me up. No, Antasha said they snatch your soul for a second. And take his soul and kick it up and box it up and tell me, say, you're not getting it back. Go about your business. I tell him, man, mash me up. And that thing they ride me for months. So people never hear the lesson boy, you come out of the school of hard knocks and thing and whatever. Yeah, man. So you find, say, I mean, you don't know about the 5 states of shock, right? You know, whatever you have, you know, disbelief and this and that and whatever. I think I went through all those stages over years, you know, disbelief, anger, you know, denial, whatever. You have the 5 states. And I think I went through them like over years, you know, like with that, you know. And then you come back center where you know, well, not everybody do, but you can come back center where you actually become thankful for the experience. Particularly if it happened to you when you were young. And you're like, why? You know, so when this did happen to me, I think it was the end of the world. But I'm glad it did happen to me then, you know, because if it never did happen to me, I wouldn't understand certain things right now. So that when me, in my adult life, when the stakes are higher, and when you get older, you know, the stakes are higher and you have more to lose now. The lesson is already there, you know. So you find, you know, like say, you may never get con yet or woman girl on me after that. But I say that the foundation was there, you know, for you just understand certain things and, you know, it's just less likely for somebody come punk you out now because You've been there. You were the big bitch before. You were the big bitch before. And you got played before. So you know what it is, you know? So because you know that and whatever, and thankfully, because you have a lot of people know, you know, but them repeat it over and over, them do about the same thing. And them know, you know. You have people who see somebody have got do back a same terrible thing to them. Them see it, you know, them literally see it, you know, because of them experience. And them still make it happen. Somehow I listen to me right now, and them like, you know, it's a ragga true, yeah. Can look on a dirty man, yeah, and look on so and so. I may see it, you know, but and the same thing Junior did do before, and the same thing Paul did do before. And me always I make them do it and think, yep, you have these people who do that. But you have others now who learn from it and be like, once bitten, twice shy, not again. I know that game, bitch. You ain't gonna glue this with me. Not gonna happen. And thankfully for me, I was that guy who incrementally you will learn, you know what I'm saying? You know, so you know, I said, no, you have some woman I run out some game, and you're like, what ya? Poor shit. Hey, you know how much time I help woman in Jamaica, and I tell him, say, no, I know say a game I did I run when so and so. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, Raga, you didn't know all this time? I say, yeah. So we can never say nothing. Never need to say nothing, but just work with it and make your things say, yeah, get over or whatever. But you did still help me, because me want to help you, but me I make you know. Oh, you understand, you know, because you know them something there, you know. And it can be all fun to you know. You can look back on it and laugh and whatever. Cause me I talk about my girl now from them time there, you know. All wicked. And she said, yo, she was my woman. Yeah, cause she touched me. Yeah. But even deeper than that now, having, you know, studied Jamaican society and its culture and history and its sociology and whatever, you have a better appreciation for it. So these class dynamics and the way in which they're located and grounded in with their respective historical precedents unique to Jamaica in terms of what goes on there and whatever. I am acutely in tune with them right now. And I enjoy being in, you know, to the point where one of the beauty with these things, you know, is that after immersing yourself in their scholarship for a while and studying them, and not only doing that, but just living it also, you then you very often, not all the time, but you very often end up with what would appear to be super predictive powers. By observing what people are doing now, you know the 10 extra steps where them are going to take leading up to what. You know, if you say so and so, you know exactly what they're going to say in return for try to hold the con by you, right? You just know, because not by accident, it's because you've been paying attention to it, because you got to it, one, and two, you've been studying it, like consciously studying it, which I enjoy, by the way, you know? Like learn, and then you can just predict what them are going to do. And then if you can't predict what them are going to do, then you just know. So. And then sometimes you just have the power for you and just fuck with them head too, and them don't even know. Them think, you know, for them mind, you know, them a mess with you, you know, and then I hear man, you be like, all right, let's see what I'm going. Yeah, you know, sometimes some people are play out something, and you see what them are doing and thing, and you be like, okay. She's going to do this now. She's going to keep on and do this now. She's going to keep on and do that. All right. That makes you go on. I know it's going to reach a point when boom, boom, boom. And when you reach a point, that's the time me I'm going to pull back. Me not pull back yet. Yeah, you know, and you go on and it play out. But them think they might get over upon you, know. But you know exactly when it's going to reach a point there. You know? And then you reach a point, then you go so boom and you pull back. But you don't read the play already. And then you pull back, then turn in there. Because you know when you pull back, you know? You see, Raga make a gang against me. Raga make a gang against me. Me? No, man, Todd, yeah, man, Todd. people seriously do, you know, regarding Tav, him name now is Pain, which is appropriate. That is good. That's because we go Jamaicans. We have some friend at Jamaica, Poughkeepsie, New York, right? So there's a phrase in the United States meaning if somebody is annoying, he said they're a pain in the butt. Yo, you have some Jamaicans, they don't play that. I remember one time, you know, when I was bridging, you know, him go understand that I'm thinking like, yo, he's just a pain in my butt, man. I mean, I tell him, man, I like Jamaican, him just get quiet around him, you know. I must say, yo, it's an American phrase, and I must say, yo, no say them something, and man, walk around and talk about a man is a pain in your butt. You know, sound good. I remember I must say, you fucking Jamaicans, man, you just make a big deal. It's a saying, it means that somebody's annoying and whatever. And I must say, yo, I'm not care what you want, so don't go around and I talk about no man a pain in your butt, man. It don't sound good. Yeah. Tav is a pain. So I'm not going to say him is a pain and whatever. It's just a pain. Leave it right there, so okay. More people, TamFam, at some point, let's do a Jamaica trip, right? Me line it up, find one hotel and we'll go and we'll party like TamFam, like a trip. No, we'll do it, you know? I even do like put some activities to it and make it good. Cause me know we go Jamaica, me know no phone on me want to go Ghana on me, but me say me I know a Jamaica trip, me know no phone come. But apart from that, I think we should all go Jamaica, you know? You know, just to beat the shit out of Tav, you know? I'm thinking, well, what is going on? That's just the purpose of the trip, you know? We just need to go down the whole way, like, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50 strong or whatever, and just go look for Tav and just beat the crap out of him. Just beat him up and thing, and then come right back on a flight and come back up and whatever. Don't it novel? Yeah, beat the... You're talking about no boy, no bad, so... Yeah, that's why I don't know boy I do it. A TamFam I do it. Like probably like say 60, 80 away and whatever, and just gang him and beat out him ras down there. Yeah, gang up da. Then I must gang up. BBW Trini say, yeah, thump him up. Yeah, some games on thump in her face. I would have said CBS alone can do it, Raga. Anyway, I look at Cub Scout, no. Well, all right, good, nobody know that. And so, well, that was my video. Right name the story. When my uptown girl, when me they convinced was my woman. Oh, my frightened of a brown skinned girl with long hair, Anthony idiot. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, no, you know, after a while, you know, after you know the game for a while or whatever, you know, and you say, once you come around a woman and you know, you look upon her and you say, yeah, by society standards, she's pretty, you know? And you just like, you're slipping on zone, man. And enough pretty girl feel it after that. You want you pretty and whatever, you know, and that may get cross, angry, miserable, yeah. Yeah, me not take no check or take no step with pretty girl. She slips, she slide. And the my girl go, you're so mean. Why are you so mean? Like, you know, you're mean to attractive girl, but say I don't mean and whatever. I just I say, come correct. Yeah, cause I go through it. You know how I mean go through it here with my talking them and with the boy. Yeah, what time? Go back to your pussy old boy. If you're talking, the pussy old talking boy, and get some more talking and bring come. Yeah, them don't know how me to go through with that here. Right? Get a proper beating this, allow me. Yeah, the pain still there. You understand? Now we're not doing a sub live right now, you know. Wait, Kachung, new to this. Is this the wait, what's the question? Kachung. Well, it's Chong, I guess. But what's the question? I don't usually join live. Oh. Really? But hold on, aren't you a subscriber? Don't you subscribe to my page? Oh, I wasn't sure if this was the sub live. Oh no, it's not a sub live. Yeah, I know you're a subscriber, right? Oh, because the new system come over today, I think them say it now go fully wait name there until the 17th, which is 2 days from now. Which is 2 days from now. Kachong, you been dying to hear what? So Raga, you did look another uptown girl after that? No. No, but you know what is interesting though? No. Never looked another uptown girl after that. Never dealt with any of them after that and thing or whatever. But you know what is interesting though? And then left, went to England on tour in theater, and then went to the United States with you know, the Jamaica Organization for Youth and Student Tourists, did the summer camp thing, went to college, So you know, so when me go back at Jamaica now, Dr. Stewart, lecturer in the Department of Sociology, Psychology, and Social Work, Anthropologist, you know, a whole different circle now, you know, and Susan Majapo, you know, the then British High Commissioner was like, you know, call me and I just want to meet you and whatever. And then the Colombian ambassador is like, I want to carry it down to San Andreas and whatever, and this and that and that. And you don't know Raga. It's like, it's neither here nor there with me with him. So. But I went through a sort of culture shock though when I went back. Because a lot of women who fall within the realm of uptown women, you know, sophisticated, classy, whatever, uptown women, you know, I'm being objective now, no show off or nothing. Them start step to me. Remember, you know, I'm in Jamaica, I'm not used to them something there, you know. Them no look for me, nobody no see me. And then one time I go after one auntie, I get a beating. But again, you know, I was 14 then, you know, I was a child. But me, I say, even after that then, man, I wasn't in that world. And again, when you know, you see, with them something, yeah? If me I talk to somebody like me, they are Ghana, me I talk to somebody, me I feel say more. Because them, no, they're not Jamaicans, one. Two, them not come from the background them where me come from. So with Uno, me not have that problem there. Because when I say certain things to Uno just get it right away because Uno go through it too. Because when we grew up, we know of uptown people, but believe it or not, you know, yeah, we have a motto out of many one people and the country small and whatever. But Jamaica is one of the most segregated countries in the world, you know. Because people are really mixed. Them have a saying in Jamaica, mix but no mingle. So look at mixing we go on when the athletes them win and some uptown people do go Coronation Market. Some of them go oldies down a real town. But in general, they live in a total different world from us. We live in a total different world from them. I was shocked when me go back, Dr. Stewart, University of the West Indies, Ray. I mean, I talk to uptown people a lot of uptown people who said, no, I've never been to downtown Kingston. I was like, what? I'm like, I've never been to downtown. I said, no, it's only when we're going to the airport, we drive down Mountain View or we will go on South Camp Road, but I've never been to downtown Kingston. I don't know anywhere there. You never go on Spanish Town Road yet? No. And at the time, it sounded incredible. Like, how can you be in Jamaica? You know, go on them road. And then it hit me when me hear them talk about them places in a Jamaica where me never go them place there yet. And for what is downtown and Spanish Town and Spanish Town Road and whatever to me, where me think everybody go. Them a fit them version, you know, where the whole of them go, where we don't go. When the Jamaica Observer come on, I don't know if them still have it. Them did have a thing about Ph.D. where them show social scene and whatever. And they were showing the Observer very often show these people, Jamaicans, partying, and them, you know, them show different place and whatever. Regular something and whatever. And my first reaction was, these are Jamaica. It's a whole different set of people. Whenever I see a PH2 something there in the Observers and thing, sometimes I be white people, you know. But people who born and grew at Jamaica and a full Jamaican, them, you know. And them have for them place when in a for them world where them go and them thing and whatever. It's just a total different world. But it's when me reach certain level now, certain things make me start there around them. And as some me start to, but hold on, this is a whole different world that I'm not a part of, but it's right there in Jamaica. It's right there in Jamaica. And then now you have, you know, the usual. You have a set of people up there they're attracted to, whether the rebelling at them or whatever, or they're attracted to what could be characterized as the exceptional other. So in general, you have the other over there, and you know, them not really having a reason to be drawn to over there. But if in the other, you have somebody over there who is exceptional, you're going to have people on this side who, despite the chasm, despite the divide, despite the segregation, despite the no mix but no mingle, right? Mix, you know, mean you can get together at some time. Mingle mean you're there for a while. Mingle is extended. So you can mix a little bit, you know, but don't mingle. You know, whatever. But if you're exceptional over there, you have people over here who like you, you know? And that is why, for example, like a Bob Marley, you have some people from Uptown, it's like, yeah, but it's Bob. But if you hear them talk, you know, you hear them are going to say things like, no, because I don't care for, you know, and they will dismiss where they're from, and I don't care for that, you know, I'm just a real da. And that's why Bob and I get along and this and that and things like that. Oh, please. If Bob wasn't Bob, you would have never won Bob. So you could tell all the shit that you want. We know it. Okay? You could have fixed it up all you want. You are with Bob. Yeah, it come from over there, so where you supposedly not get involved with. But Bob is exceptional. He's from the other, but he's exceptional. So I benefited from some of that, you know, because I'm from the other. But for certain things, you know, they're exceptional. So, you know. Jojo Beans. I got or whatever. No, but even that Jojo Beans, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not picking on her or whatever. I'm like, yeah, so what you think? Like an average man from over there would I bring you mango and it would still be, you still be cool with it? Oh, please. You cool. A mango from Bob Marley is not like a mango from Squeaky. I'm just saying. May I pick upon Squeaky because I can't pick upon Squeaky, love me. Right? That's what I'm saying. You know, so when she did that for a month, when she said that and thing like that, Jojo Beans, I'm like, oh yeah, sure, whatever, man. Yeah, because I don't care for so-and-so, you know, because Bob and I were just so simple and things. And she really cool and we had it, you know. But, like, don't get it twisted. We ain't fool here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. There are other people like Bob who didn't accomplish what Bob have or whatever. I think you're going there with them, want to stay with them, and nah, you ain't gonna do that. All right? You're with Bob. Yeah, you like certain things about Bob in terms of, simplicity and so forth, but we know you're with Bob based on his exceptional particulars. Right? No, you see it. Silu. Wagwan. Yeah, much just go breed for them, don't. How much just go fight for that and whatever. And again, she's really cool though, She's cool, I have some disagreements with her, just like you have disagreements with anybody else, but she's actually a good person, But when she didn't make them talk there, whatever, yeah, the mango one, the two, And to be fair to her, that mango one was it never come out with her selling herself in some way. Because the man had said like, oh, you're with Bob. Bob buy a whole heap of jewelry, don't you? Get a whole heap of rich things and whatever, this and that. And she was just like, no, Bob, it's not like that, He's the type of person who just bring you a nice mango. Yeah. But I remember when Tiger Woods won the Masters, I was talking to a young lady and she was talking about if any man ever put him on her. And she'd go on and go on and go on and go on and go on. And at the time, I never understand him so much, but at the time, I was just like, whoop, when she said, shit, you can put your damn hands in my she was Jamaican, but she had an African American accent. She was just like, you can put your damn hands in my face. Well, she said, put your damn hands in, lay hands on me in my face. You must be out of your damn mind. You never get away with this. I mean, it's not like you're Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods will get away with this, not you, bitch. And I remember at that time I was just like, okay. The trade-off. You know what I'm saying? Cost benefit. The cost benefit analysis. What's in it for me? What am I willing to put up with based on what am I getting in return or whatever? A lot of people, have some sort of calculus with, when they're involved with somebody, And since then, me hear whole heap of people say that or whatever, like, you will see people in Africa, they have, multi-partner relationships and things like that and whatever. And people pass remarks and whatever. But people over here all the while, you hear people say things like, I come to know him I do it so much, man, and him don't even have enough money and thing and whatever. And like, leave Nick Cannon alone. At least the pitney them not hungry. If him want have body for pitney, make him have body for pitney. Leave Nick Cannon. You hear people say these things, don't it? Right? Elon Musk too, whatever and all of them. But people engage in some interesting calculus to justify so and so. So with she with a mango and him and whatever, it was Bob. We know it was Bob. Come on. All right? Rasta no deal with vanity. No. You know what? Let me tell you something. You know them did beat Bob about that. And Bob really, he was like this even before he got famous. Bob was just really simple. Bob didn't even like a luxury bed. They put Bob in a luxury bed one time, and Bob said, "It's the feel right. Bob, come off my bed and sleep on the ground." And them say, "This, whatever, And I remember one time, Bunny Whaler did a beat Bob. And Bunny was just so into the Rasta thing. I never think about Baba run down the Iron Bird. That was the talk. Baba run down the Iron Bird plane. And so forth and thing. And when Chris Blackwell did I tell Bob, like as a manager for say expand and go out or whatever. And Chris Blackwell being a white man, and a descendant of slave owners and so forth in Jamaica. And so, like Bonnie Whale and Touch, them never really told. And then beat Bob with that because Bob gone. But what was Bob's reason? And to this day, me respect him for that. Bob said, listen, it really wasn't about me, you know. But if you have picked me, you have responsibility. And his exact words were, so me must get this opportunity and don't take it. And then at some point now, when Ziggy come to me and said, Daddy, me want a shoes now, me go say, me can't give it to him, me to get this opportunity to provide that for him. That is a man who is setting his priorities right. That is a man who is saying, I'm a father and I have responsibilities. And just like the Bible, you know the problem in the Bible, say if you get your talents and you go bury it, you remember them, or you go multiply it. You don't know that one in the Bible. I don't even know the details. I don't remember me learn it in a church, right? And it say if you have your talent, you know, improve upon it. Use it. You understand? And that Bob did I say. And take care of who you have to take care of. Yeah. And that's some respect, Bob. Bob did not do him thing, you know. Yeah, because after a while, Rita have to come take out the woman them out of the room. You know, Bob, come take out that one for me. But he was very responsible with, no, this for so and so, this for so and so, I do this for so and so, whatever. You understand? Yeah. I could have born him out all them more. I love how him have that little thing there and keep him in balance away there and say, yo, man, I have this talent here. What am I going to waste it for? You know, like me, I do this and thing, you know, I have certain credential and whatever, but I this me want to do, you know, and this me want to make money from the talk show and whatever, you know. People, after Ragabash, I am going in the streets with the show in a certain way, right? I just have the fundamental ingredients already. I know what I'm going to do, right? And I'm actually excited about it, you know? But I'm going in the streets in a different way. In a way that is unpredictable too, because I don't know what's going to happen. But I know what's going to happen with the way I'm going in the street. You remember what I tell you? 5 W's and an H. And at different point you need to, that H is very important, you know, the how. Very, very important. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Very important. And that can make the difference in your product or your service. Because you can be doing the same thing other people doing, you know. But your how, one, always make it, you know, base it upon your strength. And two, ground it in creativity and imagination. Those two things. That's going to differentiate your product. Anything you're doing, any business you're in, anything, your work or anything, your creativity and your imagination. But remember, creativity and imagination, they are not, they have to have some structure and discipline that they're grounded in, you know, and that includes fundamentals in whatever it is you're doing. So if you sweep, there's a proper way to sweep. So you got to learn how to sweep good before you start being creative or imagining. There's a lot of creative and, you know, people with amazing imagination out there, whatever, who them not do not know good. Them not produce anything good because they don't have that disciplined, annoying side, the rehearsal side, the practice side, the you know, the fundamental side, the basic side. So you have to have that. Now I've been doing this for a while, so I pretty much have some of those basics down, you know. So with this, the creativity and the imagination, or what that would yield when I go out there in the street, I don't know. But that's the fun part of it, not knowing. But you know, say you have your base thing down. Yeah. So after Ragabash, me I go out there, man. The how. You see? Yeah. So Friday. Saturday. Why I keep saying Friday? Oh, me know why I say Friday. Someone know why I say Friday. All right. Saturday the party people and thing. I'm with a love enough for forward and just bring somebody, you know. We don't know. And bring 10 people, we don't know. And come to party, you know. And where there is a gathering, there is energy, you know, collective energy, you know what I mean? Say? Particularly with you know, we Jamaicans, and when we get together, you know, magic happens, you know. My responsibility is to set the tone, you know. But once you set the tone, you leave it alone, trust the process and the magic happens. Yeah. But you have to have that gathering first, you know. Someone to know forward. Latte girl, big up yourself, you know. Munchie said, Lord, I can't wait to see my sisters. All we ask you is make sure you beard before you come. That's all, Munchie. Just beard before you come, okay? Beard before you come, Munchie. You're coming from Long Island. Make sure you beard over there. Tass, can't wait to see you too, Tass. Okay. Jumpy. Munchie said, hopefully water there. Yeah, there are times that we were in Jamaica and, you know, why we live in a whole different time, you know. You see that statement there? And then we live at Augustown, you know, and them just keep on a cut off the water. And then we used to go some big dance with Silverhawk. Silverhawk is from Augustown. And there were times when on a big dance event, I said, John, we know hopefully water there that day, you know, coming away. Because we used to have to go up at UWI. Up at the University of the West Indies, don't forget water, and then we have to walk all the way come down from Augustown Road and we live on that. So there were times when I said, John, when I hope that day when we are going, you know, like you know, like in Jamaica, barbecues, school barbecues was a thing, you know, to go to school barbecues. And I tell you, like, I hope the water don't go away when we have to go barbecue. I hope light don't go in and come on, iron my clothes out. Whatever, you know. God. Portland, oh God, Mr. Portland, the rich people, them just it's like Portland is like the last beautiful frontier in Jamaica or something. There is just this massive land grab over in Portland right now, you know, the rich people, them, you know. Yeah, and that's why Anne-Marie, that's one of the reasons why Anne-Marie was lows, because the people, them, none of them, they like certain things, them, they like certain things where I go on, you know. It's just crazy. It's just like Portland is the spot right now, you know, man. Who don't know me, I tell you, like Portland is the thing, like, it's like the big thing for development and things, like Portland pretty, you know. I really a pretty beautiful way named over Portland, you know, what I don't even know. I was like, a Portland this? They're like, damn, you know? Exactly. Untouched in so many ways. Yeah. Yeah. But it's like a gold rush over there, you know. Yeah, man. It's like them go hard over there. You know, and a lot of the capital is coming from outside of Jamaica. You know, people who want to just come in and get rich and thing without including Jamaicans and restrict Jamaicans from that natural thing that, you know, that's there. Yeah, and a privatized beach, something that is kind of crazy. All right, people, well, our reasoning went into today, and that was about that. That's it. That was it, pretty much. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Rudy says she love good Portland. Rudy Rogue. And think, attitude, it's 9:30. That's his way of saying, where you going? It's early. You're lucky. Yeah, all right. I see my energy for the weekend, you know. Don't. This weekend, let's go. All right, people. We had all who come to the party posting in the chat and say, yeah, yes. Kimberly says she now come. You know, Kimberly go around me the whole time, you know. String me on. I went, yeah, Kingsley, Latte Girl, Tambourine. How much for the tickets at the door? It's the same. Jojo Beans need a babysitter. Munchie said, before you come off, can I call in and cuss out Squeaky? Sure, I was Squeaky though. Raga, please make sure Bartino is at the party. Trody, yes. Norval there. Big up my boss, Norval I come all the way from Florida, you know. Of course, Antasha. Kachung says, send me an Uber. I'll still pay for Ultra VIP. Okay. Munchie said, I am coming. Are we talking about the party? From Jersey, round trip, Uber from Jersey. I don't know. Rosie says she'll get a ticket at the door. Don't go around me, you know. Naval booking flight yesterday. And things seen. Beachy said, can you send me the money and leave the tickets at the door? That is what I'm doing for pretty much everybody who send me money. Like, the list is already made. I just add on whoever buy tickets. Okay? So if you send the money, Beachy, and think, you're right. Beachy, me I look for see you and Bossy there, you know. Okay? Kachung said, don't want to drive party. We say, I get it. Yeah. Ruth said, Raga, you are coming. What are you talking about? Truth is, Raga, anyone living in Nassau County, Long Island, I want to ride. I'm going. Females only. Okay. So people, Truth is, CHUDYS, just say, any woman living in Nassau County, I want to ride. She'll give you an Raga Auntie. We are celebrate our birth strong in Ultra VIP and we did it, man. Jamaican Teddy Bear, big up yourself. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you then with G. Millicent, I'll buy my ticket at the door. Auntie, we are celebrate our birth strong in Ultra VIP. Yeah. And we did it. Okay. Derek Nugent, big up. Kachung, you say you need to see if Imposter Rasta can help. You know Imposter Rasta? You know Imposter Rasta good? You know Imposter Rasta good? Hold on, I call him backside and tell him to jump on the chat, man. I wonder what he man do right, you know. Okay, no. No, never. Oh, this phone. Anti-flawless. Jamaican Teddy Bear is my best friend, is my friend Raga. Oh, mad. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, me see what I go on. Yeah, so Jamaican Teddy Bear keep it 100 pound them what they make him know, make the plates them know what I go on. We had somebody have a birthday. Well, shoot their blessings tomorrow, Carlton Hilton. All right. All right. Shoot their blessings here tomorrow. Raga, which hotel is close by there? Oh my God. You have tons, because JFK is just down the road, JFK is like 15 minutes down the road from it. So because of that, you have a lot of hotels that are down the road near JFK, and it's an area of Queens. Chumpy, I think Chumpy Road airport. They by the airport. I think you meant to say hotels. They by the airport. And Chumpy say hotel. Which hotel Rote? Rote mind people know which hotel you know. Rote gonna make me know which hotel you there, and then I'm gonna come over your hotel now. I'm joking. Yeah. Bunch of hotels on the Van Wyck also. It depends on what you want in a hotel though, because the hotel and on the Van Wyck, be careful. All right. The hotel, there are several hotels on the Van Wyck side that are primarily utilized for activities that just take about a few hours, And as such, they have a certain atmosphere about them that some of you might not want to be in, Yeah, the hotel them off the conduit is better. Attitude, you're quite right. I just know these things, I just know these things. Come on, yeah. Yeah, you have a few pan Jamaica. Yeah, pan Jamaica have and whatever. Like the regular chains, them and thing, And thing. All right. All right, people. I ain't that. I'm gonna eat some peanuts now. Do some work and get some sleep. Trumpy Sam used to live off Liberty, so I know the area. See it there? Comes with sheets and pillows. Baby lips, Raga, I'm coming and I'm going to stay with you. Really? Eh? I don't know if I can manage that, You must say Raga pop down, Raga was full of chat, Okay? Raga was full of chat. Raga, yeah. And I'm really a good behaving boy. So you don't want to broke me out. Baby lips, you don't want to broke me out. All right? You want me to stay the angel that I am with my halo, right? You don't want to broke up my cherry boy, right? I'm a good behaving boy, all right? I've been to know the something, the man thing, all right? But just, I rather want to tell them about them, man. Sure, I think or whatever. But me can't do them, Raga chat like all Jamaican, man. What you mean? What you mean? All jokes aside, you have security professor, you're not afraid to get driver. Drive away. Some man a gangster. Raga, you did invented Yamed. No, man. Remember say Yamed can only be a woman, We that call like when a man get boobs out and thing. Back in the day it was boobs. When a man don't use boobs anymore. Or may I misinterpret what you really mean? Raga, you did invent Yamed. Oh, I think I probably know where Pretty One Queen did that. Like, I don't know, probably she did say like, yeah, Raga, you're a fool. You take people for idiot. No, you think anybody a fool. Simp. Yeah, that the young people them I use now. Simp. Right. I know the token story she's referring to. Yeah, Ruthie, I forgot to know what is what here. Chumpy, Dr. Mac, rough by you tonight. Chumpy, pure admission. Me busy. Oh, she busy, right. Emergency room busy tonight. Raga, your guest room full. My guest room always full. Yeah. People being serious, but keep myself to myself, big time, You notice, see me out there, you never pan and knock and whatever, you never see me in no crew and all them something. Then. No, man, I hold on my thing, man. Yeah, and thing of a balance. You see what I say? Yeah, no. Yeah. See it there, doctor, man. Make them know, man. People are not by accident. Yo, when I do a mix-up show, them, I tell you, say, there are years upon years people call in and I say, Raga, you always in a people mix up and all them something. I never hear a mix up boy yet. And thing or whatever until one big mix up bus for me donkey years after. When my first son did born or whatever. And then some people at the first me ever hear mix up from you, and look on that, I don't even from you. If I never for somebody go say something who would even know or whatever. You think that is by accident. Don't run in. Simple. Don't run in. Right. Don't run in. Don't run in. This is what the old man are telling you here. No fight time people them business up a road or whatever, this and that and way. Two of them to move circumspect, man, and them a juggle like Gladys, no? And run off for everything. Them just feel so just because them can't do it, them for do it. Don't run in. I better you keep back and watch where them are going on when people are beat you, say you're idiot or whatever and this and that. You just take it on easy. You understand? At least say, your shit ain't gonna get out there like that. You know what I'm saying? Go on your thing, man. Oh. Raga, the lady now cuss out squeaky again. What a way you remember that you want to say Munchie cuss out squeaky, no? Me see you wrote it. Me see what you say. Andrew Purple said, don't be like Novelet. Oh, you beat Novelet, though. Yeah. Derek, forward, man. Me try and make it Raga. Me get $50 traffic ticket by the 1st of September when I was there. I look at parking options here and thing, I look at something for it and thing. You can't park your vehicle. My people who park vehicle and thing, Let's come in, Derek, man. We want to come in, man, right? That's nice up a thing Saturday, all right? All right, people, big up. Munchie, come shell out Squeaky, and I say, yeah, shell out Squeaky before me leave. I was Squeaky, though. Squeaky, I get himself in a trouble again, no. Squeaky, I go hard with the live them from what day, Turkey good, as my sister, you just come in, big up yourself, Well, let me check something. Oh. Oh. Oh, boy. All right. So people in our morals here. Okay. Sandy says she there a long time. We're going to do some work and forward. You know, Sandy's a hard working woman, you know, so you know the levels there, so. All right, people, blessings and respect in our morals, all right? Baby lips. Raga, it looks like a lady coming to look for you. Well, you can't go. You can't come with some idiot talk when you don't want to find out something. When the baby psychology you come in, baby lips, baby lips, what kind of baby psychology that you come in with when you want fast? No. Then you know you are come over and you send them white. Eh? You see it? You're going like you're generally in the chat, but Raga, it look like it's a woman that come over to you when you don't know something, you set up a link for your forward. Eh? In baby lips. And you don't know, so you set up a link for your forward tonight, whatever this and that. Just come and listen to me now. Yes, like how you don't put it out there now and you're forward. Just make sure say you come proper, all right? I got a glass of wine. We're going to drink a little wine. Then, you know, we're just going to relax a little bit. Some nice music playing. I'm going to just start giving you a little rub down and all these things and explore all of your body. And see which part you twitch, which part you jump. And make sure, say, anywhere you twitch and jump on my touch, I gotta bite you there and nibble you there. And I need to stop. All right. Yes, Tony Fox, but no, you see how long you're there, you know, post and thing, but you must post when look a friggy chat. No, move for yourself, man. Dr. Man, Jesus, me jealous. Then, yes, tell her after that, me read a book to her. Mm-hmm. All right, people in our morals here. Rote, Adessa Yago, Wednesday, I grudge you. We need to go there, you know, one place named Jamaica Town. Move up on the Caribbean seaside, you know, where a lot of Jamaican, people of Jamaican descendant live. I still have to go there one day, though. I'll buy the ticket and lose the fear and everything to that thing. Oh, well on there. Munchie a ramp with the thing, you know. Munchie, I was squeaky, though. Come tell me quick. Come tell me I was squeaky, though. Quick. Send it on, quick. I was squeaky, go on. Starboy, me not read Starboy comment. What Starboy say? Starboy, me not see no comment from you. Munchie, I was squeaky, go on with.
Why you tell Squeaky some I don't want him? If me didn't look a man, me would not look him.
Well, Squeaky
After
stepping
me
on
they
your
go my life, Squeaky come and talk about saying want me and him. When say Christina about him want to oh my God. Christina, help me.
Wait.
No, me don't even remember. Raga, I'm outside.
No, man, I'm forward, man.
Christina, when did say again? You know some screenshot and I can't find it.
No, man, I was squeaky say.
My God.
Him game up, him game tight, him game get tighter, like him get better now.
No.
Eh?
Him need to relax. You know,
No,
Squeaky coming like the rat them on the subway.
Oh, damn. No, that's bad. That's not
coming
good.
like the rat them on the subway, man. Him need to calm down. Always ups.
Always ups, though.
Yeah. Anyway, I can't go my bed. I'm tired. Good night.
All right. Squeaky tired, yo, man. All right.
The blood of Jesus is that bite your tongue.
All right, cool.
Later.
Yeah, man. You know what is funny, people? You know what is funny? It's weird that something can be so bad that the bad thing, like so continuously bad, that the bad thing can, that somebody cannot pre the bad thing and then in a way like, so how come the bad thing not happen to me? Is what wrong with me? Right? Like something can be so continuously bad that you start feel left out, like, you know? Like the squeaky thing probably at a level now where it could all reach a point where some woman I say, no man, then something wrong with me. Oh, squeaky not coming to my inbox and I'm going to everybody inbox. So like something wrong with me. Don't it, Derek? Yeah, the squeaky thing, like, you know, all these women come out now and say, no man, squeaky, step up in my inbox, man. Squeaky come. There's some woman maybe like, not me, I don't want him, man. I look him, so never come in my inbox. What's wrong with me? Look at me, need to go gym or something now. I need to start take care of myself. Man. Squeaky going to everybody inbox and I'm going. No, what you say? When you say star boy, baby lips, body tan good, oh, you know. Eh? Star boy, oh, you know, say baby lips, body tan good. Let me see. Rooty, Raga, squeaky call me him Earth Angel and don't let me make the mistake and go up on him like. The star boy said, don't worry about that. Eh? You know, your Raga said, don't run in. Oh, you know, say your body tan good, star boy. Eh? Oh, you know that. You see the two on our laugh. You see the two on our boss big laugh and thing. Yeah. Something in a something. Keisha Adams say, yo, should I feel left out? Don't, squeaky never go in your inbox. How wrong with you, Keisha? Nothing I'm going. Keisha, nothing I'm going for you. You know? No, sir. Keisha, nothing I'm going for you. Squeaky never move to you in your inbox, Keisha. Things set a way be. All right, people, blessings, man. See? I eat some peanut now. Munchie said, he said he wanted me to be his nightcap Sunday. See it there? I know it's a nightcap of food, you know. Yeah. Nightcap of food. And Squeaky want Munchie for be him nightcap and thing. Yeah. Munchie, if you ever be the Squeaky nightcap, you know, when people name some chicken right down to the bone and chew up a bone. Yeah. Yeah, some people name me right down to the bone and chew up a bone. Yeah, Squeaky nightcap, Squeaky know if you fix your business for you, yeah? That if you know. Yeah, Squeaky have a color here until you know what God you serve here. Think Squeaky Abraham put people around here. Gangster. The truth, I asked Keisha if she'll be at Ragabash. Yeah, watch her. Where you ask her that for the truth? The truth, where you ask her that for now? Where you ask her if she'll be at Ragabash? What you want to know for? What is it to you? Eh? Yo, people, let's try something tomorrow. Like dating, you know, people been telling me, I've been getting a lot of things saying, no, you really need to go out with this dating thing. Let's try it tomorrow. Okay? The truth. I want to know, just to have an understanding who will be in the... Move your ass, but just... In blood clan about just to have an understanding like who and who will be in the room, just kind of like running like a preliminary count or whatever. No, what me I say is, hold on, you change the like when them people them have when them people that have the whole heap of box them. Munch, you change it to that. Me just want to see how you I think you're going on something, Layout. Yes, so we're layout there. Where you find layout? Layout. Where you going to find layout? Well, yeah, well, okay, let me make the messenger thing here and see what the options are. Okay, more I see something. Go live with guests. Let me see. If me manage moderator, share recording. Oh, not in that. So I'm back here. Guest showroom, live show, notice, bro. Oh no. These are all stuff that I don't do. Oh boy. Guest showroom, live show, countdown, notice board. So the one tab probably ever tell me.
You can add multiple people. So
right.
So like when you add me, you can add somebody else, and I think it's supposed to change. It's supposed to change and go in a layout.
No. Mrs. Sometimes people come on them live, them alone did it, and the layout change, and you have two different options. So there is a way for. Well, I eat this right, sir.
You remember when they did add Chris a DJ?
Yeah.
Or something similar to that.
Yeah. There is a way to do it.
And I think your moderator them supposed to can change it, supposed to.
Yeah, man, they would be, but me want to know if to do it, Nah, I'm gonna ask somebody, and it's a simple thing to Google, so. Well,
See it there?
Yeah, but who did that?
You have to accept multiple people.
Christina, you do that?
Probably a moderator accept somebody.
No. I don't want them to do anything that I don't say I want to do.
Sure.
Right. Well, Christina, you do it?
Yeah, she did.
Okay, all right then, cool.
So you have to have multiple people in the something to do it.
You have to have multiple people. You sure?
All right, listen. So you see like how me send my request?
Yeah.
Somebody else send their request. So once you accept the two of them, or three or whatever, then the layout are going to change.
Tab, I just told you, messy people do it and nobody no dead. It's just them alone and the box them empty.
Where they figure it out?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright. Well, big up yourself, my gallus friend.
Go away, man. Me, I don't know, gallus, all right? Remember, say Raga never do nothing yet.
Yeah,
know that.
Just read.
Yeah, man, just read. Raga is a nerd. All right, let's say a word, man. Cool. Yeah, one. Rosie? Wagwan.
I just was pressing it for you to see that it comes up.
Okay.
No problem. I'm a shy girl, so I'll be in the background showing my stuff. That's all.
No, but you're not shy. And I want a shy woman of afraid, you know. Jamaican teddy bear, what go on? All right. But okay, see that we can do it. Me have to ask Christina how she do it, you know. Well, I'm not hear Jamaican teddy bear when you talk.
Hello.
Oh, me I hear you now. You did mute.
No, man, no. I look so like me. I say, me I try and learn it like you.
Okay, see.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's what the thing said, you know.
Yeah, we're going to try a look at dating thing tomorrow and see who want to come up and say, you know, you want to meet somebody and go up on a date and thing or whatever, you know, see if that works. Yeah.
Can't do that. Can't do that.
Yeah, man, you see it. Mix it up a little bit, you see it. All right? That's our word, man. Respect and blessing. So wait, when you come up, you pick the box a while ago?
Me just press the plus button where it say invite and
So you,
give me one next window where say if you want to still join. And me click that and
you
come
click
on.
that and you come on, see it. But you just click the plus.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I can just tell them tomorrow, say click, wait, this is somebody. And you click any plus you want to click. No,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you click your one plus. Yeah, you have your wait, the oldest.
That work good for the dating thing too.
No, that's why I want to do it for the dating team. I want to do it for. Yeah, but
all right.
yeah, all right, that's our
All right,
word.
that's our word, man. That's
Yeah,
our word.
man. Respect and blessing. Yeah, man. Valine. Valine. I hope I pronounce your name right. You know. Valine.
I'll come down off of this.
All right. No, me take it down.
All right, respect.
Yeah, okay. Me can take it. Come on, and ask Christina. Rosie.
Hello.
Rosie. All right. You want me to take it down now?
All right, later.
All right. Blessings here, darling. Okay, cool.
No problem.
All right. Okay. All right, yeah, man. So I'm going to do this thing, yeah. Try this thing yeah, tomorrow. Oh, damn. Whole heap of people in there now. Marlene. All right, take that away. Let me do it tomorrow and check it out, you know. A bunch of people said I'm interested in it, so we can try it and see where it goes, all right? All right, people in Mars here. I say it go nice. I love a drama, man. All right, cool. All right, people in Mars here, in Mars. Okay, cool. Good night.